Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's get it. Let's get it. So I heard I didn't miss a whole bunch during Power Hour. Bunch of choparuskis going on out there. Hey, Jesse, what's up? What's up? Hey, Bob. Yeah, market don't sleep. That's a fact. Markets do not sleep. Some other movie, Wall Street. Wall Street 2, Money Never Sleeps. I was a little bit disappointed in that movie. I thought it'd be a little bit better. Hey, at least you're a little bit lighter now, Bob. Oh, man. So what all did I miss this afternoon? What kind of fun did we have? Hey, so Bob, so what you're saying is I'm better than Ozempic. Hey, Benjamin, what's up? I hear a little bit of selling. What do you got for any news? Any news tonight? Let's go look real quick. Let's get our bearings set. So Thursday night, any news coming out? No, all the news for tonight's already out. Unless we get some type of unplanned economic news. Hey, Drunk Trader, what's up? Tomorrow, what do we have for news? Fed monetary policy report. That probably won't move the markets much. So we're really lacking the catalyst. If we look at RSP today, RSP never did come back and fill the gap from the prior day. And when we look at the SPY, man, I'm hearing all kinds of, hold up. What do we got going on over here? Hold up. We got some more. Let's check crude oil real quick. Crude oil is not really budging. Look at that little smacking back down. Where we at real quick? Okay, we already hit that point of control from today. Let me get rid of that drawing object quick. Huh. Might get to smack this little sucker. I'm trying to get long, didn't want to feel me. Trying to get long off that little smackdown. Yeah, finally caught a night stream. I don't normally stream at night. I didn't stream Power Hour today, so I said I'll be streaming tonight for a little bit. We'll see how long that lasts. I'm looking right here. We could make. We haven't broken value area high yet. We already hit the point of control. Are we going to punch back up or not? I do want to see. So at 8 o'clock, we have the overseas markets open up. What do we have? Nikkei. And Nikkei gapping up tonight, up 958 points. Kospi's up 227. Hey, Raj, good evening. So Kospi's up. Nikkei's up. And we came a little pullback here. I'm going to take a little long here. See if I can get a little retracement back up. Wrong charts. Wrong charts. See who's going to stop me out here. We're all the way down at the third deviation band on the view app, so I do like it. I like the location down here for a little poppy pop back up. And ES made it down to the second deviation band, so anybody trading the ES, we made it to the second deviation band. See if we can get that pop back up. Wish we didn't come down so close to try to stop me out first. Makes me a little bit nervous trying to hold the trade. We have the opening price up above us at about 937. I kind of wonder if we can drift up towards that way. Be fantastic if we could. Just go ahead and drift on up there. Knock it out the park. Jesse says I'm long too. 938 your target. Oh, shoot. So I'm front running Jesse. Jesse's trying to get out just above the opening price tonight. High. Interesting. And maybe I'll end up bailing early. We'll see. Hey, Neo, what's up? Hopefully I can just push it a little bit. Push, 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 push. Come on, just keep on pushing. I said a push. Yeah, it goes up a little bit more. I'm going to take that. I'm glad with that. Over 300 bucks on that trade. Thank you very much. Chart on the right is a Ninja Renko chart. It's basically a modified Renko. You can download that for free. If we go to, let's see, Nightbot, see if we can get Nightbot to post the link for that. So if you click on that link right there from Nightbot, let's see, I'll take you to this page right here. And I have no affiliations with them, but the Ninja Renko chart, I'm using this indicator right here. It's free, price free. You can download it right there. Again, if you click the link in the description box down below. Hey, Mike, started trading prop firms 2 weeks ago and got your first payout today. Oh man, hey, congrats. That is not, you are not the majority. I did not get my payout the first 2 weeks trading prop firms. Did not. And I'd already been trading for a while, but so congrats on that. That's fantastic. Now, if we look over here, over at this chart, now data will be delayed on this chart. I'm going to show you guys, but if we look right over here, look at the ES. Our ES, you can see we have a lot of gamma exposure, 7,600 call resistance right up there. And to the downside, we have put support all the way down here at 7,500. So basically a 100-point spread in between the two major resistance levels. Looking at the options data. We did get a 9 count down here as well. Now, if we look over here on the 4-hour chart, what do we have over here? All right, we've already broken the 786 retracement. The swing high down here to the swing low. We've broken the 786 right here, which really increases the probabilities we do 100% retracement. That retracement level's about 30,100. So do we pull back and get a chance to get long? Rasha's next stop is 29,855. It might be. We'll see if they're going to bring it on down here a little bit. We do have the P point. So one thing to note today. Oh no, NASDAQ did hit the P point. It was the ES. So that P point could be a target here in a little bit. 29,773. Yeah, let's just double check this real quick. Oh no, ES had hit the P point as well. I don't know why I had that in my head. Maybe I'm getting days mixed up. NASDAQ's coming back down, breaking those new session lows. Which is really odd. I don't see crude oil shooting up. And we look at the Nikkei. Nikkei's up pretty good. And the Kospi's up pretty good. Big gap up on both of them. Yet we're starting to come down. That's a little bit odd. Somebody's lying. All right, short term, we're starting to get oversold. You see the green background. Dang it, I missed it. Too busy talking. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Missed my shot. You see right here, as we came into being oversold. Look right here. What do we have? We have the divergence right there on the delta. Did not take it though. And we actually made it all the way below the deviation bands on the NASDAQ. So that, to me, that's a ideal location for a reversal. For a reversal trade, doesn't mean we'll reverse the whole entire trend, but enough to where we can get a little bounce. Yeah, it's around the time frame. I like to see it too. Now let's go look at something real quick. ES today did close above the 1-day max. Might be trying to make its way down towards 75 though. Hey, so ES breaks 81. I'll be looking to target 75. What about NASDAQ? NASDAQ's trying to come back down to the prior days. 1-day max. Next gamma level will be right here at 29,800. Let's see. Where are we at? There we go. Don't forget, if you guys and gals have not, it's a great time to smash that like button. Yeah, we should get a bounce. Doesn't mean we will. We should. Hey, so I think I might play some micros here First little bounce up, playing off that off the deviation bands, and see if I can't play this back towards the VWAP with some micros. VWAP's at 927. A little bit less of a target than I normally would like, but I do like that idea. Maybe if we swipe this low again real quick, I'll take another swing at this for a little reversal. So let's see if we can break that low. Ideally, if we get a trade detector bubble down there too, that'd be icing on the cake. Let me get the bubble. Let's see if I can get a little scalp. Hey, what's up? What's up? Now we got being oversold. I should have waited. Should have waited till the green background, but did not. Jumped in a little bit early. When we first broke that low, we weren't really pushing. I was like, I'll probably be good. Not so sure about this now. Come on. A little bit more, please. Please and thank you. Hey, Captain Price, what's up? Good evening. There we go. Quick little scalp there. Bada bing, bada boom. But again, if you look at location, why I'm trying to get aggressive on the long side, we're down here at the third deviation band. Again, we get down those bands. I like looking for little pops back the other way. You love catching the evening streams? Hey, love to see you here. What is the green line on the chart? Green line on the chart. I'm not sure what green line we're talking about. I have no idea. Oh, green right here, the vertical line. This right here, this represents the market being short-term oversold. And if we see red, green right there, short-term oversold, get a nice little bounce. Short-term oversold, get a little bounce. Let's see, did we ever get red tonight? Red would be overbought. I don't know if we got red or not. Oversold again. No, we haven't had any overbought yet. No overbought yet. But yeah, I like to play some micros back for a retest of VWAP. VWAP right now is around 927. We'll see if we can get a little pop towards 927. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. Yeah, we do. Well, hey, we do have a little bit of liquidity up here as well. So 987 and a half. We'll say, actually I lie. 990. We have 171 contracts up there. On the Bookmap, we can see them. So 990. Wait, is that 990? Yeah, what I say VWAP was, VWAP's 927. So VWAP's way down around here, way before that liquidity. So I like that. We have the liquidity up there, maybe draw price up there. And we have VWAP above us. So let's see if we can maybe make it up there. Love to see it. Maybe it happens, maybe it does not. We shall see. Kind of curious. I do want to just go double check real quick. Let's see crude oil real quick. Dang it, that wasn't crude oil. Yeah, crude oil's not really moving a whole lot tonight. I trade my own funds. I trade my own funds and prop. I trade both. Every day. Every day. I keep wanting to go look at the VIX. VIX is not up, but you look at Nikkei. Nikkei, big strong push up at the open. Kospi, big push on the way up as well, up 2.68%. So prop firms to me are just extra icing on the cake. So again, watch the VWAP 927. I'll play it up there with some micros. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. 927. Can we get it? Looking to take it up there with some micros. Start to see we're starting to form some wicks on the 5-minute candles. Uh-oh. Is Ninja going to crash? Oh, boy. Knew it. Dang it. I knew it right when I clicked on that chart. Son of a biscuit. Son of a biscuit. All right, so I gotta wait for these charts to repopulate. Dang it. Come on, Joker. Come on, Joker. Oh, I have that speaker on. I didn't realize that was on. All right. Let's see. Ah, where'd you guys go? Ah, there you are. Yeah, bear market pullbacks can be vicious. Dog it. All right. Let me move these screens back around where I had them. Alrighty. And there we go. All right, reconnected all the prop accounts again. All right, there we go. Hey, Bob. So we shall see. How you guys doing out there tonight? Good, bad, indifferent? How's it been going? Yeah, I like the wicks. That's what I was trying to show you guys. Was the wicks. But my Ninja Trader is going to be slacking here at the moment. Oh, there we go. There's a 5 minute. Look at the wicks down here. Wick. So. Where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin's down 38. Not moving a whole lot tonight. What about gold? Mr. Gold, what are you doing? Going sideways. Can't wrap your trailing drawdown part yet. There's a lot that don't have trailing drawdown or intraday trailing drawdown. The drawdown always moves up, but not all of them are intraday trailing drawdowns. So the intraday drawdown is a lot harder to beat than the end of the day drawdown. End of the day means if you made $200 today, the drawdown moves up $200 at the end of the day. So still waiting for my stupid NASDAQ charts to repopulate. They're not done. Where did Jesse go? I don't know. I don't know if Jesse's even home yet, Bob. I talked to him when I was driving home, and he was at work. All right, now my NASDAQ charts are moving. Now we're moving. Now we do have an FBG down here, just below 830. Yeah, hey, I think he just went in from his phone or something, Bob. I think. I still like where we are in the bands. I like where we are. Let's see if we can go down there and break the lows again. Break the lows right there and maybe smack it. Yeah, base hits. Hey, Raj, there's other people that just go all in. Try to get over the intraday drawdown. They go all in for a big, quick burst to get them over the intraday drawdown. I don't like that approach. Man, my nose is itching. I can't stop it. I don't like that approach. I think it's going to be more prone to fail. Personally, I think slow and steady is the better course, but some people don't want to be patient and wait. They just want it now. So again, we got the VWAP now. VWAP has dropped down to about 923. Still looking for a retest of the VWAP. So now it's dropped down to about 923. So, well, hey, Raj, it kind of was, but right now, oh, Apex sale might have ended. It was still going on today. We can get a 250K account for $17. Let's see how many hours. Oh, 3 hours left. 3 hours left. So again, 923 is VWAP. I'm looking for a VWAP touch with the micros on the NASDAQ. 923. Can we get it? It's about 30 points higher from where we're at. Oh, yeah. Activation fees. Yeah, I didn't think about that, Raj. That's true. That's true. Very true. And that's a big nut to crack, too. Yeah. 21K before you make any money. That's a lot. The channel probably is more narrow than during the New York session. New York session, we typically have wider ranges, a lot more volatility. Price moves a lot quicker. And that's good, and it can be bad. Hey, Raj, that's why I think the 25K accounts are really, really good. Especially with Take Profit Trader, you can get a 25K account where you get $1,500 of drawdown, $1,500 profit target. Hey, Tom, what's up? Yeah, I didn't get to do Power Hour today. I was away. So I actually just got back home. I missed my 6 o'clock trade. I didn't get to place my first trade till, I don't know, 6:45, 7 o'clock, something like that. A little upset. My old handy dandy rusty trade I didn't get to do at 6. That's all right. Still watching right around 920. 920 is now the VWAP has moved down to. So, and here's why I keep saying that. We're down. We've been wicking that third deviation band away from the VWAP. VWAP right now is at 920. Can we get there? Maybe. Hey, no worries. So Take Profit Trader, once you pass the evaluation, they have what's called a buffer. So if you're in a 50K account size, your buffer would be $2,000. So once you make $2,000, anything over that, you can request a payout. You can get over that in one day, which I don't suggest trying to do, or you can take it slow and get over it in multiple days. Every day you're over it, you can request a payout, which I think is pretty fantastic. Builder account rapid, I think, is every 2 days, every 48 hours. I haven't tried out the builder account yet. I have the rapid accounts currently with my funded futures, which their payout is very similar to Take Profit Traders. Yeah, you don't usually get a lot of momentum at night, but we had a pretty good run up today. So do we keep running up? Do we pull back? Retrace a lot of that move down? Again, look right here, new session lows. Can we get to be where we're oversold? Give me a trade detector bubble showing up down here. If so, I'll probably gonna take a swing at this. We have divergence right there. Probably should have swung at it. Should have swung at divergence, but I was just thinking that last trade I took right here. Right there. I was like, yeah, I got in over here and then it went down, got oversold. I'd hate to get in and see it go oversold. I'd rather just wait. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is a prop firm that has that drawdown. Go down into the weekend with the war restarting. We could. All right, there we go. Short term oversold. Yeah, this one might get me. I didn't wait for the knocking to slow down. Let's see. Hopefully I don't regret this. I'll go a little bit more. Come on. Dang it. Come on. Just go up a little bit. All right. There we go. There we go. Net, I should have been up on those two trades. I don't know if I was. Should have been net slight gain. 9K on 30 lots. 30 lots is a good way to stroke out all the stress. We break this low again, I'm going to smack it again. As long as we're down by this third deviation band, I'm going to keep looking for little pops back the other way. Just keep it going. Yeah, get me again. Come on. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. Quick another little scalp. Scalpy scalp. I'm liking it. So again, just slow, just quick little pick their pockets. Pick their pockets. Hey, Stefan, what's up? Good evening. You're never too late. Now, if you haven't smashed that like button, you are a little bit too late. So let's do a solid and smash that lucky like button. Show your support. I do truly appreciate it. Again, we break the low again. I'm going to do it. Rinse and repeat. Look for another little quick little pop up. We're still below. We're still at the third deviation band on the view app. Every time we go down, we break the low. I'm going to look for a little quick little scalp back up. Again, Asia at night is really good for that type of trade, especially around this time frame too. Really works very, very well. Hey, Patriot, what's up? What's up? View op's up there at 9:15. Going to re-enter to fade again. Yeah, I'm liking the fade trade, Raj. See how much I like it here in a little bit. I like it at the moment. Let's go back and look at the fib real quick. We're not breaking the low yet. We have the view app at 9:15-ish. All right, get rid of that. All right, we have the P point down here at 773. Now, even though we're coming down, we don't truly have a rotation down on the volume profile because we never broke value area high. So we don't have any rotation down on that. P point 75, 65. Over here on the ES. ES never went above either. So for this move down, I'd feel a lot better about it if we had broken above that value area high, which we did not. Look right here. We had a structure breakout point right there. We came right back quickly and hit that today. That's not still open. I'm kind of curious. What about a fib from the low right here? 38% retracement is going to be about 75, 68. That would be a minor retracement. So that would imply we still have a little bit, about 10 more points minimum to the downside on the ES. What about NASDAQ? I don't really like where I'm pulling this fib from. 38% would be 761. That's a decent amount lower still. We did just break the low again. Broke the low again. We had divergence. Dang it, I missed it. Missed it. You had the divergence right here. So price came down, made a new low. Look at the delta. Delta did not. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Let's go look at something real quick. And if we look over here on the NQ, we after the gamma levels real quick. A lot of gamma right there at 30,000. So really no surprise. We had a hard time pushing above that 30,000. See all the gamma over here? Put support way down here at 29,000. 1,000 point range in between resistance and support. We'll see if we try to come down and try to maybe come back up towards that area at 30,000. Again, I'm not saying we're going to get there tonight. Just FYI. Yeah, you got to run up. So I'm going to be a little upset. Again, we do have the liquidity up here on the ES. Could act as a magnet at some point. 75, 95. And what do we have down below us? Anything below us? 62-ish right there. View app now still at 9:15. Yeah, I'm looking to fade. I'm with you, Raj. Waiting for 75.65 as my MES long. Hey, Bob, have you had any trades tonight already? Hmm. And where'd the VIX close out today? I didn't get to see the close. I missed the closing of the market today. Let's see. Where'd the VIX? VIX is down 6.16%. We're down here at these areas where we can see a volatility spike at any moment. Took the MQ, quick recovery. Oh, nice. Hey, good job on that, Bob. Streaming like a boss lately. Well, I mean, I haven't been doing as many videos lately either, so I have a little bit more free time. Before I was doing analysis videos every day after the market closed, so I got a little bit more free time now. So I figure, why not just trade? While I'm trading, I can hang out with you guys for a little bit. We have a 9 count down here. Do we sweep that low one more time? Yeah, had a reset in Costa Rica. Oh, Costa Rica was pretty intense. Those waves were big. The biggest day was 15 to 18 foot. Forecast was saying triple overhead plus. It's like, wow. It was pretty big. That was more like survival mode. How bad do you want to stay alive? I don't mind decent size, but I was a little bit large. A little bit larger than I like. It was not my fun size. When I kept looking at the forecast, I'm like, you gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding. It can't be that big. I ain't been in the water in a while. Wow. Yeah, nature's massage. Honestly, are we gonna sweep that low one more time? Give me a shot to go long again. We sweep that low again. We sweep the red line. We'll look to go long again. 29,800 ish. Confluence. What's funny is we're coming down, and we're not even down that much. I mean, NASDAQ is pretty decent, down over 100. ES only down 10. Dow's only down 16. But we're still down here pretty low on these VWAP bands. I find myself wanting to hit it again. And look, if we look over here on the 4-hour chart, pull our Fibonacci retracement. I like this one a little bit better. That implies a lot more downside. 29,580. That's a lot. It's a whole lot. Yeah, unusual to see me in Asia. I trade every night in Asia, though. 1 point away from TP. All right, once again. I don't think they're going to fill me. They fill me. Let's see if it's going to be good or not. I don't think so. I hear a bunch of knocking still. Then we swept that red line. We're still down in those deviation bands. As long as we're down there, I'm going to keep trying to push. Go on 2-minute bars. 8 EMA. Nice. Come on. Just lift. A little bit more. A little bit more. Dang it. It's up over 100. Usually I only go for 100 on those little counter trend scalps. I'm going to take it. I think they slipped me. Those effers. Those mother effers. They slipped me. I hit close when I was up 115. They gave me 35, I think. Oh, that's dirty. They did me dirty on that one. They did me dirty. And we do got a trade detector bubble right down here. Right there. We are Still down here in these lower bands on the VWAP. So I'll keep looking for counter trend pops back the other way until it doesn't work. Yeah, especially at night too, Raj. I know better. Should have just left my 5-point target out there. I was like, maybe I'll get a little bit more. I'll see if we can sweep the low one more time. I'm going to smack it. Just want to sweep the low just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just ding, ding, ding. Just need to sweep it. Get down there. Hurry up and get down there. Maybe it's not going to give it to me. Yeah, that's one of my favorite trades to do at night. Because usually at night we don't get big trend type of days. Usually get a push one way, it smacks back the other way, goes all the way up to the other bands, smack it back down. It works out pretty decent at night most of the time. Not always, but good portion of the time. So, and tomorrow's Friday, so hopefully I can end tonight with a decent P&L. Come on, I'm trying to get in. Don't want to fill me. Dang it. Dang it, I was trying to get in. We broke the low by just a little bit. I was trying to get in. And it didn't want to fill me. Yeah, HSI will be opens up in what, 53 minutes? Come on. Bring it just a little bit. Just a little bit more. That was only a tick. I want to say a little bit more of a break. And I'll smack it long again. Maybe. Screw it. Let's go. Come on. Push it. Up. Thank you very much. I'll gladly take that. Just sit there and pick their pockets a little bit. Again, we still have the backdrop. We have the trade detector bubble right there. And more importantly, we're down here at these lower VWAP bands. So location is key. So I know I'm counter trending it. So I'm only looking for quick little scalps going against the trend. Just slowly picking their pockets. A little bit here, a little bit there. Here, there, everywhere. Hey, look at that. Hey, Raj, you got to remind me tomorrow, too, for J-Love. Can't believe I didn't put him in the duck race today. Just bought the 50K account from TPT. You got this. Just take it slow. No worries. Don't be in a hurry. Just take it slow. Let's see if we're going to take out the lows again. We do. I'm going to smack it again. One more scalp. I'm taking a lot of little scalps here on this move down. Here a scalp, there a scalp, everywhere a scalp, scalp. It stinks. I don't hear the knocking, so it's kind of hard to time it. It's hard to time it. I don't hear the knocking. That would have been a good one, too. Barely broke the low. I was like, Is that enough? Yeah, a lot of delta on that push, so I kind of hesitated. Yeah, push it higher. Not yet, Raj. Not yet. Let me get a chance to get in before it pushes higher. Please. It's a little bit more risky. I'm hoping we can get above these little swing points here. I don't know. We might break the low again. A little bit worried about that, but just in case. We've been hanging out down the lower deviation bands for a while. We just get this quick little squeeze up. Be greatly appreciated, Mr. NASDAQ. I'm going to say thank you in advance. Hey, Infinity, what's up? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Just picking them away. Pick, 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 pick. Little scalp here, little scalp there. Everywhere, scalp, scalp. Oh, yeah. I'm liking it. Tonight's being good to me so far. Up 91 now. Oh, good job on that, Bob. Good deal. But again, at some point, we should get a balance being down here at these. And the ES is down at its bands too. So down at the second and third deviation band on the VWAP. Good for a move up towards 901 now. That VWAP keeps coming down, but 901 would be a logical target. So see if we can get a test of the VWAP. If we look at the ES, man, my nose keeps itching. I don't know what's going on there. ES, we're down at the second to third deviation band right down here. Actually, more the second band, not quite the third. But I like that for a little poppy pop too. So ES and NASDAQ, I'm favoring more of a pop. Yeah, green tonight. Good job, Orlando. So if you guys haven't yet, don't forget. Don't be stingy. Smash that like button. I do truly appreciate it. Hey, Raj, are you long right now? Out one contract. 20 points. You're still holding one? Okay, I see it. Hey, Raj, what's your target on that? On the runner? You try to target all the way up to VWAP? Still waiting for ES. 75, 65. Hey, Bobby, you might get it. You might get it. You might get it. I've already had quite a few trades already this morning or tonight. Overnight, we don't get smooth moves. Yeah, chirp it up. We'll see if we can get it. We'll see if it wants to lift up here. And again, I made all my money just fighting the trend. Quick little counter trend pops back the other way. No big moves. Quick little scalps. Again, it's all about knowing where we're at on the chart. Being down at those bands, we're very susceptible to a counter trend bounce. So I was just trying to take advantage of that. And then down here, we had that trade detector bubble. Also basically saying, hey, we might be getting close to the end, or at least close to getting a decent bounce. Was hoping for 100 each account. Yeah, hey, Bob, the last thing you want to do is try to fight for that last few little dollars. And the market says, whoop, reach your hand in your pocket and says, thank you very much for the donation. I appreciate it. Play this game again here in a little bit. I'd gladly take some more of your money. So we'll see. All we need is some positive news to come out about Iran and the U.S. Hey, the ceasefire is back on. The Iranians are such great people. They've come to the best deal ever. They're going to open the straits. No tolls, no nothing, no problems. We're going to let them sell oil again, give them back all their money. We're going to hold hands, sing kumbaya. Everything is fine. Yeah, nothing but time with the Lucid accounts. Hey, Bob, that is one good thing about the Lucid accounts. We're not on a time restriction. You can take as long as you want to take. So, yeah, don't forget the Kumbaya. What do you need to know about buying an e-foil? Hey, I can show you the one I got, Eric. I can't wait to go write it again. I wrote it last weekend. Last Saturday? Or was it Sunday? Ah, it's probably Saturday. I'll show you the one I got. Oops. I'm going to make some videos pretty soon. And I still got to edit my videos. So the first time I ever rode was in Costa Rica. It's a lot harder than I thought it would be. I've been surfing for a long time, but so if we go look real quick, I'll show you the one I got. Look, it's pretty cool. You ride above the water. It's actually a little bit harder than you think. So the one I got is, let's see, I got the 4.8. I got this one right here. The 4.8, and I got it in blue. I got it in that blue color. Oh no, that's not the one I got. That's not the one I got. Hold on. They changed it? I got the 4.8, but maybe they lowered the price. No, because my decking's not like that. My decking doesn't have that on the back. Oh, let's see which one I do have. Now I'm kind of curious. Nice. I know that's the one I got. Oh no, I got this one. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. This is the one I got. I got the 4.9. I thought I had the 4.8. I got the 4.9. And I got it in that blue. So that's mine right there. So I was thinking about getting the Blowfish add-on so I can take my daughter on it, put her in the front. But I didn't get it yet. No, it's not wing server. It's electric powered. But it's hard. Oh, hey, Benjamin, I did not see it. I did not see it. Let me go look. Let's go look at the report card. Oh, I see it now. Let's see. Hold on. Nice. I'm trying to smack you back down here again. Let me just make sure no account numbers are shown. Oh, hey, Benjamin. Good job on that. Hey, there's Benjamin's report card. Look at that equity curve. Whoop. Nice. See, all the days that he's traded it so far. Good deal. Hey, good job on that, Benjamin. Nice. All right, we're going to come back down, break the lows again. Give me another shot to counter trend this. We might. If it does, I'm going to smack it. We go down there, we break the low again right here. I'm going to look for another little counter trend bounce. That's been my MO tonight. It's been working. It's been working, so I'll keep feeding the hot hand. As long as it keeps working, I'll keep doing it. Let's see. Don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Huh. Hey, could this be a little double bottom-ish action too? Bottom one, bottom two. Hey, if it is, let's go ahead and map this out and just track it. All right, if we break the neckline up here, target would be somewhere around 862. VWAP is now at 893. Raj says one more push and he's out. There you go. I hope we get a push, Raj. Hopefully we get the push. Do you want to go check? Let's go double check on the overseas markets. Nikkei still doing good, up 996. Kospi's up 208, looking good still. Our markets are down. It's not like crude oil is rocketing or anything like that. So it's kind of weird. Our markets came tumbling. Hey, MP, what's up? Good evening. Oh, should I take another smack at this? This is enticing me to want to go take a long on it. Really debating it. Long with a short, small stop loss. So 893 is the VWAP. We still have not hit the VWAP. At some point, we should get a return back to the VWAP. And VWAP's at 893, which is a little bit above this double bottom target, at least at this point in time. What about ES? ES has a little double bottom. ES has a trade detector bubble down here. Not really a double bottom, though. I almost wonder if I should have taken a little stab at this, try to go long off that bubble, making new lows for the night. I didn't do it, so no sense in crying over spilt milk. 9 count on the 5 minute. First late night scene. Yeah, it's been a while since I've streamed on this channel at night. It's been a hot minute. No trade for you today? Yeah, today the markets, I had some losing trades like always, but I feel like I did decent today. I left on a pretty good note. All the prop accounts did good. My personal account did good. So I was happy. Let's see if we can get a nice little spike up. Again, 862 up to VWAP. VWAP 893-ish. So 893 would be all the way up here. Just above the 200% of the target for that double bottom. Oh, today for Friday. Okay. Yeah, Fridays I like to get up early in Asia on Thursday night. And that way I can kind of coast in on Friday. I don't like to have down Fridays. It ruins my weekend. All I'm going to do is be staring at the charts. It's horrible. PM should do the magic. Hey, Raj, when you said the magic up, magic down. Which magic are we talking about? And don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. Yeah, chart looks like crap. It looks like it wants to bounce. Yeah, for 93.5. Oh, man. I hate it when the market leaves without us. It's like, dang it. And when it leaves without us, you know it's going to be a good trade. When you don't get a chance to get in, you just get to watch from the sidelines. Like, I could have been in that. It's getting lonely in the waiting room. Where you at, Jesse? In the hospital or what? I didn't know you were wanting to come on. Hey, J Loves, what's up? What's up? Hey, J Loves, again, I apologize. Oh, man, I'm so sorry for today. Let's see if I can let Jesse in. Let's see. Let's see if I remember how to do this. It's been so long. All right, let's bring Jesse on. Let's see what Jesse has to share with us.
What's up, everybody?
Oh, you're on now. You got cut off at first.
Am I on? All right. What's up, everybody?
Yeah, let's try to go VWAP. Oh, hey, we got that liquidity. See that spoof order that just showed up?
Yeah.
Ooh, might have been there for a little bit. I just now saw it.
There was 3 of them stacked, but they took one of them. Took 200
They
contract right there.
Did they?
Yeah. Those are real orders.
We'll see if they pull the other ones or not.
Oh, there they go. They took
Oh, yeah,
the other
look at all
one.
the delta down here. You can see they're getting eaten. We got trade detector bubble showing up too.
Woohoo! Look at that big red green bubble.
Let's see if we can go. Can we get all the way up to the VWAP?
Let's go. Yeah, I'm in this trade. I can't believe it.
Where are you targeting? VWAP?
Yeah.
892?
Uh-huh. Well,
All
I'm
right.
at 890. I'm front running it.
All right, I'm
Are
with
you
you.
in?
I'm with
Are
you.
you in?
Yeah, all in. Full port.
I'm gonna share my screen in case you want to show it. I'm
Wait, you're full port?
No, full port. Pff, 1 mini.
You're in a mini?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were doing micros. Mini it up.
No, on TPT, no, I'm on micro. Whoops.
Doot, doot, doot.
Let me get this out of here. Why is that open? Okay.
Well, hopefully you don't get 27 contracts again.
Dude, that was insane. What's up, Raj, J Loves, Neo, Kim? Good to see you guys. I thought I saw Bob here too.
Yeah, Bob's here. Bob's here.
Bob.
Bob's up for the night. He's up almost 100.
Yeah. Get it, Bob. I'm getting ready to close this thing, man.
Really?
Oh boy. Look at Apple. Apple's breaking out the sports equipment.
Oh, man. Sports equipment deep. Hey, is it long or short? Hey, Apple, are you long or short?
Dude, I'm up 915 on this trade. I gotta close it, guys. I'd be
Really?
stupid not to,
You
right?
close it because of P&L?
Yep.
Even though that's not your target?
I'm scared.
Why? You don't want to see it come back and go red? Green to red?
I'm
Green
already
to
up.
red?
I'm up 1800 on the night. I gotta call it at some point.
Nah, you don't got to call it to you. At least get a million. You got to get a quick milli.
A quick mill.
Yeah.
What's up, Eric? Good to see you. Daniel.
Hold it out.
Don't ditch the trade yet.
Yeah,
he says.
because if you get out, you're going to push it down and you're going to ruin the trade for the rest of us.
All right, you better show my screen then, because if I'm here, you know what? I'm gonna put my stop behind the bubbles at least. How about that? There we go. I feel safer with that.
I'm trying to remember how to get your screen on. Oh, I don't see it on this screen. Hold on. That's why I'm like, I don't see the little thingamabobber we made. All right, let's see Jesse's screen. I can't really see there. I'm gonna trade out one. Oh, okay. There's your bubbles. Hey, what's that white? Hey, what's that white line where your target is?
That's the VWAP.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's pulling back a little bit. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Hey, it's cool. It's all right. It's probably not even quicksand. Orlando is done for the 28 points on 1 minute. Nice. Hey, Orlando, good job on that.
Good job. I don't even know how many points I'm up on this one. Actually, I can click the little. I can click the thing. Let's see.
Hey, we're going back to that VWAP. Oh,
53 points. Is that right? Wow.
We're going back to VWAP. We kept talking about that when we kept trying to counter trend it back up. I said, I want to play it with some micros up towards Mr. VWAP. We'll see if we get there.
I'm going to trail up behind that other bubble right up here.
Hey, Jesse, so if you look at the...
Oh, it's going to get me.
If you look at the other markets, though, Nikkei is up 1,435 points, busting out highs right now. If you look at the Kospi, It's trying to bust out the high right now, up 3.57%. So I think we can push up here a little bit.
So you're thinking I should pull my stop back behind that first bubble?
I don't know about that. I'm just saying I think it's going up. I don't know what you should do with your trade.
It's gonna pull back first, though. Probably, you would think.
Maybe.
Eric says add more contracts.
Yeah, hey, more contracts give you more clarity in the trade.
Mm-hmm.
More contracts, you can guarantee where it's going to go, wherever it's going to screw you over.
No, I was already sweating earlier. I'm glad I survived that dropout, man.
Oh man, Bob's at 140 now. Nice.
Yeah.
Hey Bob, how many accounts are you trading? How many accounts?
Five.
Nice.
Right.
Up 17 for both days. Nice. Hey, Jonathan, good job.
Tom says I show up and we get the first green candles finally.
Yeah, because Jesse only goes long, so when Jesse shows up, the markets only go up.
Maybe I'm good luck for the bullish people.
Yeah, but what about me? What if I want to be short?
Don't get short yet.
No, I'm not yet.
I'm getting nervous. I should have closed it. Damn it!
I told you should have closed. I don't know why you did.
Oh, took me out. Oh, that's quite a drop.
How much did you make on
Jeez.
it?
I don't even know. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, I do know. Well, no, I don't know.
Yeah, see, MP says adding more contracts will add more buying pressure. See? MP's got a point. More buying pressure, you can make the markets go up for the rest of us. Now, it might be a problem getting out, but...
What's up, Coop? Jonathan?
Don't trick a chicken. Nope. Never met in person, Eric. Told me you should have went down to Costa Rica with me. He's like, nah, I can't.
I don't travel well.
What do you mean? You get on an airplane, you just fly.
Yeah. I used to all the time for work, but I've got anxiety issues.
Don't worry about it. Worst thing happening, you can die. We only die once. That's the worst thing that can happen. So if it's only gonna happen once, why worry about it?
Hey, Neo says I'm done. You mean you're done for the night, right, Neo?
Man, Neo's been killing it in the morning sessions, at least. He's been calling out some good trades.
Now, the question is this a buy? Is this another buy opportunity to go back up to VWAP?
I think we're gonna hit VWAP at
Yeah,
some point. Now, does VWAP come down and hit price, or does price make it to VWAP? That's the $1 million question. Hey, we have the HSI opening up here at 9:30, so about 27 minutes.
I think I like it. I'm gonna try it.
Can't leave the country to 2028.
I'm in.
Hey, Apple, why is that?
Oh shoot!
And if it goes down, it just means you have to buy more. You gotta get more buying pressure.
Oh sure. I don't like where I'm at either. I'm gonna move my stop. I'm gonna tighten up my stop. If it hits me, whatever.
So you just said move it. I was like, oh boy.
No. I tightened it up. Yeah, it's gonna get me. Okay. That's all right. That's all right. I'm gonna try it again. Just waiting for the buyers to step in on Bookmap here. How
do you make 30-second trade for an Apex PA with my average trade eval is like 10 seconds? In Asia, just trade some micros.
Yeah, and hold them longer.
Yeah,
that's a good idea.
We can average out.
All right, I'm trying this one more time.
Oh boy.
Yeah, so it's looking like that bounce was just a fake out.
You're going long or short?
I'm long, but I'm second guessing that bounce. I think we're gonna continue short here.
Continue short.
Let's see.
Are you copying this in the TBT accounts?
Yeah.
Oh Oh, you're trading a big contract too, huh?
Uh-huh.
It was up 1K. I hate that. Was.
Yeah.
I was up this much.
I was up 1,800. Now I'm down to 1,200. Darn it.
I know. It's funny how that works.
Yeah, it's because I didn't close that. My unrealized was 1,800 up there, and I let that one come back pretty far.
Yeah, but you don't get intraday drawdown in that account, right?
No.
Oh.
No. So that part of it's okay.
We break the low. I might.
Yeah,
we're not down in second band. I won't. Hey, we break the low. This is a little bit different than previously. I'm gonna show my screen real quick just so I can explain to people.
Yeah.
So before, when we kept trying to take trades, every time we were breaking these lows, I kept scalping long, scalping long, scalping long. It's a little bit different this time because when you look at the NASDAQ, this time if we go down there, we're not going to be at the second or third deviation band probably. So I won't wait till we get a little bit lower before I start that. Now, if we get a big flush down, then I will. But if we're just barely breaking the lows, I'm not going to be as excited about counter trending that on the move back up. So I'll just simply wait.
Hey, hold on. I'm looking at your screen here. Hold on. So we did get that 9 count. Darn.
Yeah, 9 count right up here. Man.
That would have been helpful information above those bubbles.
I am kind of curious though. If we look this 1 minute, that's right here, right at 786. For a little push back up, maybe.
Yeah, it came back. I was kind of hoping it would only come back 50%, but it broke that twice on me. So
what really sucks for me is if I get a losing trade, I'm locked in on an idea, I lose, I'm in again.
Yeah,
I'm in again. I'm like, dang it.
Yeah.
I gotta get better about that.
Same here.
Yeah, I've never traded with Blue Sky. I've never traded with them. We're gonna be able to push up and out or what? Trying to sucker me into a long trade.
I'm still in this long. I mean, it's green, but barely.
Oh, really? Hold on. Let's go look at your trade. We're gonna look at yours.
Oh, shoot. Hold on. I stopped. Let me reshare. Oh, there it goes. It's trying to take off. All right. I'm back.
You're back? All right. Let's see. Let's see Jesse's.
So target's up there at VWAP, but I may just close it if I get my money back I lost on that previous.
Yeah, but it was 2 trades you lost, right?
Yeah, so it was like 400 bucks.
Was it 400 or more? Oh, one was a real small stop.
Yeah, exactly.
Huh.
So let's see what they do here. Hopefully it takes off.
Hey Yoda, me or Jesse? I don't want to short if we're at the second or third deviation band on the VWAP. Below the VWAP, I don't like to short there.
Yeah, he's got a real good video about that too. He just launched it a couple days ago about the VWAP bands and these trade bubbles.
Oh yeah, dude.
Really good video.
Let's see if I can find that.
He talks about, yeah, let's put a link.
I'm gonna find it real quick. That was the Apex one.
Yeah, that was a super good video.
Get shareable link. Yeah, here's a link to that video Jesse's referring to. Like, these jokers really want me to get long, but I'm not doing it.
These buyers just don't want to take control here. What's crazy is they had enough. There was enough buying to take those 600 contracts at those 3 levels, and then nothing.
I mean, that was a lot of buyers. They're gone now.
Yeah, but you'd think they would want to get some profit here. Oh no, it's dropping. Oh man. Just hear a knocking on my Bookmap, just knocking.
Oh, mine isn't. I don't hear it on mine. Mine's not going off yet.
Jeez. Should have taken that $150 or whatever it was.
I'm gonna go back and check. Yeah, Nikkei's pulled back a little bit. It's up 1,200 still though. Kospi's up 236. We have the HSI opening up in 20 minutes. So we'll see what happens then. Do we rip or do we dip? Dip, 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 dip.
When do they open?
9:30.
Okay.
So I want to see what happens then. Gonna do is it. Hey, Cove, see you tomorrow. Hey, 007. I really want to go long. They're trying to sucker me into a long here. I'm not doing it yet. I'm not biting yet. Not gonna bite it.
Yeah, I don't think it wants to go just yet.
No, I'm worried about it flushing the lows. What I'm worried about.
Yeah, and my stop's right down there too. I hate where my stop's at.
Uh-oh. Hey, Paul, you gotta take one more trade.
What happened?
He's up 666.
Oh no.
You better hurry up and get that number off your screen. Either 667 or 664 or something.
What's up, Dustin? Farlow?
Hey, on the 5-minute, we might have a little. Let me check this out real quick. Hey, we have a potential ABC performance on the 5-minute.
Hey, Farlow's still got that Lucid account from a couple months ago, he says. Wow.
Oh, nice.
Good job.
Hey, good job on that. You know, the longer you can hold an account, the more likely you're going to be able to get that account to pay out. You know, there'll be good days, there'll be bad days, but the longer you can hold on to it, the better off you will be.
Okay, here we go. They're pushing. I
Hey,
wonder if
ABC target is up here at 893. 883.
883 is right where my target. That's VWAP.
I have you up at 885, but yeah, right around there. Yeah, I'm going to show people real quick. So here's that ABC pattern on the 5-minute chart. Right here, we have the A to B leg. The B to C leg is a corrected move, and we project right up here for the D completion. Don't put your trade back on.
What's up, Raphael?
So let's see if Jesse trade can get in the green.
It's in the green. I'm trying to pull back again.
Hey, MP said it. You got to smack more contracts. You got to create your own buy-in. How much are you up on it?
Right now 180. It was 300 and something.
You need 400-ish.
Yeah, 400-ish will get me back to session highs.
Nothing like trading our P&L. I think we all have a little bit of that in us. I haven't met anybody that doesn't trade their P&L to some extent, even though they say, I know not to trade my P&L, but.
So it's Kim's fault. Kim says she got long. That's why it's dropping. Of course.
All right, Jesse will send you an invoice for the difference. That's the way I feel sometimes. I go along the market's like, we got him. We got him.
I'm convinced there's some firm out there with the Jesse algo. They just wait for my account number to show up in the time and sales.
Hey, I can tell you who it is. I email them every time. I say, hey, I'm going to have them on stream tonight. Get the algo ready. This will be a big money night for you. They only got that liquidity at 75.95 on the ES. And we have more liquidity on the NASDAQ at 169 or 987, 169 contracts. Whoa.
The problem is we have a crap ton of potential liquidity levels. Like I gotta zoom way out to see all these. These are on the 15-minute. All these gray zones. These are untested pivots, basically.
Yeah, you have some above us too, though.
Yeah. We're like right in the middle of no man's land.
Boost tomorrow's at 890. Oh boy. No, I'm not doing that. That's too close. I did that one night. Jesse was stuck in a trade and we were joking around. I laid on, what was it, 50 contracts on NASDAQ?
It started going there.
That sucker just started. We're looking at it on Bookmap. It just started going right there. I was like, get out. I was like, I don't want to be filled in that. I do not want to be filled. Don't do it. That's looking good. Still going up.
Yeah, for now I'm keeping my target there, but if I see 400, I'm not going to lie. If I see 400, I might just chicken out.
Really?
Yeah. Look, I should have closed it up. Guys, I was in that trade up here, and I let it come all the way back and stop me out.
Well, yeah, but hey, you got to think about this, Jesse. It's not about you. The market makers have families. You know, you got to give them a little bit every now and then so they can feed their families. They can come back and provide the service for us.
Hey, I tend to agree with you, but I need to feed my family first.
Hey, don't be greedy. You already have you have another job. This is their only job. So that's why I try to get them a little bit donations here and there. Keep them at bay so they don't come and take the whole account.
I must have missed this conversation about somebody needing to explain their strategy to some prop firm.
I thought Apex doesn't do it no more.
They don't do that anymore. I didn't think so. Who are we talking about, guys? I missed it.
I think you're talking about Apex. I think I saw.
I don't think Apex does that anymore. Unless you bought one of those legacy accounts for $17 the other day.
Yeah, I wonder if that would be. Hey, so I wonder if that would be applicable to that.
Probably. It's probably got all the legacy rules, I would assume. But I don't need to worry about that because I bought 10 and smoked them, unfortunately.
Hey, I think it'd be hilarious if someone goes, they have a dice, and here's what I do. All right. Or they flip a coin and roll dice. Anything over 6, I buy. Less than 6, I sell it. You have an alarm go off every 3 minutes or every 5 minutes on your watch. All right, roll the dice time. All right, long. They'd be like, what the F? And if you made money on the video, that'd be even funnier. They'd be like, how do we account for this?
Hey, I got 465, guys. I'm going to...
Hey, see you tomorrow, Orlando. Don't be a scaredy pants.
Orlando. See you, buddy. Come on, 450, it's dropping. 470, 495. Oh. What's Bookmap doing? All right, we got nothing pushing us down yet.
Oh, don't say that.
I said yet. There's
nothing that can push us down. Bam.
I saw 500. I'm so nervous. Jeez Louise.
Still can't believe TPT. Yeah, TPT has been moving a lot more people to live a lot quicker.
Oh, I'm out. I'm closing it. I do not. Look at this. Massive sell volume just came in. Here's the Bookmap stuff. Jeez, if you guys could hear my speakers, that hit hard.
Hey, so here's what you do so you don't get scared. Turn down the volume.
No.
Just turn it down a little bit so it's not so loud. I still think we're going up a little bit more.
So my session high was 1800. I'm at 1640 right now. So not bad.
But look, if you had held on, you'd be almost back at highs.
I need another $160.
One more trade. That's the way to do it. Hey, how many contracts are we allowed to trade in this account?
No.
Come on, it's entertainment value only.
One more trade.
Unless it's a loser, right?
Yeah, exactly. Then it's 3 or 4 more trades.
See, you got scared out.
And then I'm trying
to let that little manipulation move scare you.
And then tomorrow I'm trying to get in the duck race. That's usually how it works, right?
I don't think you've been in a duck race, have you?
I try to get in.
If you have, it's been, I don't know.
It's been a while.
I don't remember ever seeing you in a duck race.
It's been a while.
I do plan on having a duck race tomorrow. So we'll see. Hey, look, you be up for the night now.
What, is it still going? Oh,
yeah.
I wasn't watching. Oh,
see, you let that little, blip, the little
Dude,
fake out.
I'm about to FOMO into this.
Oh no, don't FOMO.
Yeah,
FOMO is bad. FOMO means you have no account.
Oh, it's gonna go there without me, huh?
Mike, you trading overnight with me? I trade overnight every night, Smokey J.
Hey, why am
I'm just usually not on stream when I do it.
I just noticed my regression channel's tiny. What is it? What's up with that? Over on my other screen, it's big. It's longer. I must have that messed up.
And Q touch 9 p.m. We're coming close to VWAP. VWAP is at 883.
Dude, if it pulls back like 2 little bars, I'm going long again.
Hey, look. Hey, Jesse, here's what you can do to take some of the pressure off. Just go in with some micros and look for the bigger move.
Well, the bigger... It's going to VWAP, and then it's going to reverse.
Not necessarily. It could break right through it. Hey, the ABC target right now is at 883, which is right at VWAP.
Yeah. That's why I'd rather...
Oh, we have a structure breakdown point.
Do we? Where's that at?
Yeah, let me go look that. Let me show that real quick. Hey, so we do have a structure breakdown point right here.
Eric. Eric, I love... Hey, don't you
904.
love Eric? He's our best friend, dude. Look at this guy. What would you say? 904? 904.
Yeah, 904. 904
All
is the structure breakdown point right there.
Hey, we just got the pullback I was looking for. I'm in, and I'm going...
All right.
We'll put it up here at 904.
All right, we're going to show your screen. We're going to root for Jesse's trade, 904. I was counter trending all night. I want to see this. I want to see this trade.
Well, let's see.
Green.
We got 1, 2, 3. We got 3 down bars in a row on my these Renko bars are 20/10s. So that's 60 ticks down right there. So I figure that's a pretty decent entry. If it's gonna keep going, it's a decent entry, but we'll see. No, it doesn't want to go from there. Dang.
Yeah, 904 is a long ways. Doesn't mean we're gonna get there right now, but that will be a point of interest for me later tonight or tomorrow or whatever. This would be more of a runner target. I would focus on the 904.
Well, I mean, if anything, this trade could be some entertainment value for you guys, right?
We want to see you win. We want to be entertained while you winning so much.
I literally only need $165 and I'm at session high, so I may close it there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling like a sissy lala.
Come on, yeah. View up at 883.
There it is. There's 190.
You got view up at 883. If you close it, you're gonna get slipped.
Ooh, 190. 215. I'm closing it. Got 215. I'm out. I'm out.
Hey, so if somebody says, "Hey, if you just wait 5 minutes, I'll give you $200, or I'll give you $5 right now." What are you gonna take,
dude? Look at. I'll show my NinjaTrader control panel. There's no account numbers shown. That's why $1,800 is my target every day. I'm at it. I'm done. That's it. I'm out.
Until later.
See you guys. See you guys tomorrow. No, I'm kidding.
Let's see if let's see. Does he take another trade?
Mike knows me all too well.
I mean, I thought you were done. I was, but I was sitting there. I heard the noise go off. I got sucked in, and next thing I know, I was in a world.
Oh, there they go. Hey,
I told you.
If you guys could hear the sounds that this Bookmap stuff right here makes, the volume pressure, holy smokes, it's blowing up my house.
I gotta show them something real quick. So here's the VWAP that we were talking about as we kept pushing these lows by the bands. Here's we're looking for it to come back towards 883. Hey, we're almost there. Remember, if you're looking for a big move and you don't want to be right, you don't have to be right here, right now. You can always go in with some micros and just take some micros up towards that bigger area. Then you can let it swing around a little bit. We have the ABC target right here, right around that same area as well. So can we make it up there? Okay, yeah, New York session is easier for sure.
Kim was asking about a table in the middle of the screen.
Table.
You got a table? Oh, maybe she's talking about my Bookmap algorithms.
I was gonna say I have a desk.
Hey, Kim, when he switches back to mine next time, I'll explain it.
All right, let's see. I'll switch back right now.
Okay.
I'm watching this market.
So, Kim, these are the Bookmap market pulse algorithms, and I run 3 different. I run 3 of them. 2 of these graphs are just a different visual display, but it's the same algorithm. Okay. So, for me, the most important one is on the right. This is the volume pressure imbalance. So you can see it keeps spiking to the buys. And so my Bookmap starts making all kinds of sounds similar to Mike's when the volume pressure imbalance gets above 70% positive or 70% negative. And so that's based on actual volume coming in, real-time volume. And then to the left of it, this is that same exact metric, but it just shows them separately instead of the imbalance between them both. I just kind of like the bar graph. This one's muted. You can see that red mute button because otherwise I hear the double sounds, right? So, and then this one is the pace of the tape, and it makes sounds too. So what I really like is when this one's pegged red and this one too. At the same time, that's crazy, right? That means speed's coming in and volume pressure to the sell side. And the opposite's true for the buy side. And then finally over here, this is the order book imbalance. So this is the pulling and stacking of orders near price. So when this thing pegs up to like 90% in either direction, that means that people are stacking or pulling orders on the order book, trying to push price in that direction. So when something crazy happens, all these things start firing off sounds, and that's when I get in and out of trades. Daniel took that profit long. Good job. Nice.
Yeah, good deal on that.
We still didn't get to VWAP. Here's another pullback. You guys dare me to do it again? Dare me to do it again?
I dare you.
You said one more trade.
I know, that's what I was gonna say. Hey, as soon as you win the trade, it's like you lied. I was waiting to catch you.
Yeah, here's where I would go. I like this pullback. This is nice. Tell you what, let me turn off Replicanto and I'll do it. All right, I'm in, and this time I'm going to target VWAP
he lied to us. He said he was done.
Okay, so this is sim only, everybody. This is not on my TPT
I have footprint
account.
charts too.
The order book, Smokey J, the order book, when they're pulling and stacking orders aggressively, it can be helpful. I mean, obviously it's not real order flow. It's what they intend to do, right? So that's why I mix this with the real volume. When both are firing at the same time in the same direction, I like that. It's my A+ setup. So there we go. That trade's working out. Now I wish I would have put it on the TPT accounts.
Isn't that funny how that always works?
Mm-hmm.
You're like, dang it, I should have did that on the other accounts.
Anyhow, Kim, did that explain it? Imbalance of buyers versus sellers. Yes, exactly, Kim. That's the right over here on the right-hand side. This is the imbalance between the aggressive. This is market orders only, not passive orders. So this would be the same as like delta, right? When you hear people talk about buy, sell, delta, that's what that's keeping track of. Raj says if we hold VWAP, we're going to go up to the second deviation band to the upside.
Man.
Ooh, boy.
So what are you saying? We need to hold these trades, Raj?
He says it might take all night, but
hey, Jesse says he's here till New York session.
I'll be snoring.
That's all right. We don't mind. It's okay.
One minute. Tom says 1 minute for Hong Kong.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, 40 seconds to be exact. Let's go. I bet you we get a little spurt here to the upside. That's right, Kim. Exactly. You can see this. This is the insight into the candles. Like, so if you're looking at a 5-minute candle, you're not necessarily going to see the, the real-time order flow happening inside that candle. You just see that the candle went up, right? So I'm trying to front run the candles by using this type of data from Bookmap. Popcorn time and movie time for Bob.
Uh-oh.
See you, buddy.
Hey, Bob, I thought you were going to stay with us till London. Slacker.
So Kim says, I need this. So it's not cheap, Kim. You got to have Bookmap, and then you also got to subscribe to their
it's not
MBO
cheap.
data, and then you also got to subscribe to their MBO bundle that gives you all these algorithms. So I don't know how much I spend, but it's probably somewhere around $450 a month, I think.
Really?
There we go. I hear them. They're kicking in. Look at this. You guys, I can hear this happening, right? You guys can't hear it.
We don't hear it. Hey, mine's not going off here. I need to get mine set up. Jesse's already sent me the settings to set up my market pulse like he does. I just been not doing it. Slacker.
I really wish this is up 350 right now. I wish I had this on my TPT account.
Told you.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, 400. Fiona says, does your indicator also account for failed auction market profile? I don't watch that. I don't have any indicators that watch that. I don't think the regular volume profile does anything like that. The footprint charts can show you that, though. Right, Mike? You watch for failed auctions on the footprints.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not how I trade. I don't know enough about that, guys. I basically just trade the pullbacks and the bounces. Trend continuation using the Bookmap order flow stuff. And a lot of times I'll use this delta down here at the bottom, but because we had those three gigantic, those three huge buys, it's kind of throwing the scale of the delta off. So normally this is much larger. I wonder if I can
we're about to hit that ABC target up there. I've been talking about. You just gotta be patient in Asia.
I can make that a little bigger, I guess.
Gotta be patient.
So this is the gray is negative delta, white is positive delta for each bar. Yeah, it's trying to get that VWAP. Let's go. Here it goes. Oh, I'm hearing them.
Where's your target at?
They're stacking orders. 882.
882. 883 is the ABC target. VWAP is right around 882 now too. You'll leave it until it happens. Yeah, Raphael, I do think the ES is going to go up there tonight or tomorrow. I'm favoring more longs.
Leo came in and said hi to you, Mike.
Oh, I didn't see him. Hey, Leo, what's up?
What's up, Leo? Stay Broke's here.
Hey, Leo, I was just in Tampa tonight.
Smokey J says, Mike, tell him HK closed Thursday night.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, it's closed?
Oh, let's go look at the news. Yeah, let's see.
Hey, that target's about to hit I'm at $515. Damn, I wish I had Replicanto turned on right now.
Told you. See, I almost said it, but. Oops. All right, let me know when your target hits.
You could switch back. I mean, well, I was going to say it's going to hit. Well, sure. How many times have we seen it come within a tick or two and turn around on us, right, guys? Am I wrong?
I'm gonna start peeling out these micros.
Yeah.
I was 10 deep.
10? Woo! Get it.
4. I'm down to 4 now.
There you go. Leave 2 on. Okay, target filled.
All right, I just took another one off.
So my sim account's at 2754 for the night. Darn, I wish I had that trade on. That's okay. Whatever. It's all right.
I'm down to 2. Come on.
Oh, it's still going.
Come on.
Maybe pull one more, Mike.
I got 2 on now. Keep peeling them off. I'm down to 1.
Yeah, keep that one until the second standard deviation as per Raj.
No, I'm out.
You're out?
Yeah, when you start telling me somebody says to do something, it scares me. It's like, uh-oh. my natural counter trend tendencies, come into play. Somebody says something, I do the opposite.
Yeah, but it's Raj. He's our muse.
I know, but it still is like, if I'm thinking that, somebody else is thinking that, we're probably wrong. If it's that easy to see, we're just wrong. I like it better when I see something and everyone else says, no. I'm like, all right, I might be on the right track. The majority of people lose money in the market And me and my friend at work, we used to trade. If we were ever in the same trade or the same general trade, it never worked out. It's like if it's too easy to see, it's just a trap. We just get screwed over. So we did hit that ABC target that we mapped out on that 5-minute chart. Bam, bam, bam. Hit it. Hit the VWAP. Again, that VWAP is what we kept trying to talk about all night long, where it kept going down here and I kept playing the little counter trend pops. And then now we finally got that VWAP touch. So easy peasy.
Hey, do you have the Mentor Q levels on your Renko chart there?
Not Renko. I have them over here.
NASDAQ
or...
Yeah, NASDAQ. Look how close we came to that friggin' call resistance 0 DTE.
Yeah, so I talked about earlier. Yeah, I was talking about that earlier. Hey, and you can see it really good on this chart.
Yeah.
Right here, like this chart actually, let me refresh that. This chart actually showed it pretty well. So on the new chart right here, you can see, look at all the gamma up there. And look, that's where we came up to tonight, and then bink. Oh no, maybe that was today. No, that was today.
Yeah.
Came up here today and then started to roll over off that.
Yep.
Too much to push through it.
And then all the way, so we're in positive gamma here, right? So you would expect kind of moderate price action.
And look where the support is, all the way down here at 29,000. That's way down there.
And if we get down in there where those gamma strikes start turning red, that's negative gamma exposure. So we're gonna start ripping around pretty good down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the new Mentor Q charts a lot.
Yeah, I do too. I like them a lot too. I didn't like it at first. I was like, where's the stuff I'm used to looking at?
Yeah,
but I do like them.
Yeah.
So
what I'm currently doing, what I did today is I wanted to see, so because I trade primarily NQ, the NDX index does not have a lot of options flow, right? It's minimal, but QQQ has a lot. So what I did is I loaded the QQQ Mentor Q chart, and then I did a conversion of the gamma levels from NDX and NQ onto the QQQ chart so I could see the gamma of QQQ. And that's working out pretty well.
Nice. Hey, BK, good evening. I'll have a pretty good Asian night tonight, especially for missing 6 o'clock. Yeah, I've tied you, Jesse. I'm about caught you. 1884. Where are you at?
I'm at 1790. Well,
oh yeah, get off here. See, if you would take that other trade, you could be ahead.
My low, they're all over the place. So 1820 is my high one, the highest account.
You're still behind me. See, you should have took it.
Dang it. Dang it.
Hey, so hey Daniel, tomorrow in the live stream we'll cover it. I don't have the updated levels yet for the NQ. I get delayed for that, so I will have them. We might still be on when they update, actually.
Yeah, they update at 11, I think. Yeah.
If they update at 11, we'll probably still be on here, and I'll be able to give them to you tonight around 11, Daniel. What time is it now? 9:30?
Yep.
What time?
9:30.
Hey, do you remember what time I used to start streaming at night? When I used to stream at night?
You talking about years ago?
Yeah.
No, I don't remember. You changed it a couple times.
Hey, Bob, I wonder if Bob's still on here. Oh, 8:30? Raj says 8:30. All right.
8:30? All right.
Tonight I was on just before 8 o'clock. I said 8:30, so I wasn't sure if I'd be on there in time or not, but so I want to give myself a little bit extra leeway. All right, so I can go ahead and get rid of this drawings off that chart. Bam.
Yeah, we smoked that target.
Hey, Raj said, Raj said we're going to go. Raj said don't doubt him.
Dang, look at this go. I almost want to FOMO into it again.
Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO.
Dude, it gets me every time, guys, when it starts getting rowdy like that.
Aren't you the guy that just said that you're done? No more trades tonight? We got to hold Jesse's feet to the fire. It's hard, man. Hey, that's where I get myself in the most trouble. I say, oh, I'm done for the day. Somebody calls me and we're talking. Hey, what do you think about this chart? We start talking. Next thing I know, I'm in a trade. I'm like, dang it, I was done for the day. I was completely content without trading no more. The next thing you know, now I'm in the mix. And I'm like, oh, I should have just stopped. I knew I shouldn't have done it. But yeah,
I've got issues, guys. My name's Jesse. Let's go around the room and introduce ourselves.
Yeah, it can be a problem sometimes. I mean, I was jonesing to hurry up and get home so I could place a trade. I missed it. I missed the opening bell tonight.
Mike was out running around all day, guys. I didn't even get a chance to talk to the guy today.
Yep.
What's up, Yoda? I don't know what a rounding bottom recovery is, but I'm assuming it's similar to a V-shaped recovery, but rounded at the bottom.
It's more, it goes down just as like this. And then, just like it says,
I mean,
rounded bottom.
I like rounded bottoms.
Yeah. I would agree.
I like those V-shapes too, though. Okay. Hi, Apple. I have a problem getting sports equipment deep. What's up, Mr. Tran?
Yeah, 2 to 5. Hey, I agree with that, Raj. A micro, at least you got a little bit of skin in the game. It's not too bad. No, I don't really look at weekly VWAPs. I don't know why. I'm not saying it's not valuable. I just not something I normally look at. I will look at anchored VWAPs. So if I'm going to look at a larger time frame VWAP, it's usually will be an anchored VWAP.
Yeah, and you usually anchor those from,
Pivots.
Yeah, from
Significant
legit
pivot areas.
Yeah, legit pivot, like major pivots, yeah.
Yeah, I should have held that a little bit longer. Hey, I was talking. What did I say? 904. Look, we talked about that area, that structure breakdown point.
Yeah.
Dog it.
I think we got it exactly, didn't we?
We did.
To the tick.
I forgot about it though. I forgot I already had talked about it.
Oh, we got 902, so close. But close enough. Somebody said hi. Oh, Coach Fred's in the house. What's up, Fred?
Hey, Fred, what's up?
Yeah, Tom, somebody was talking about Hong Kong being closed. Mike was going to go check for us, but I think he got squirreled.
Well, no, I looked on Forex Factor. I didn't see it, but I guess I should just come right over here. Let's go look. I can see if it's open. No, HSI is open. HSI is open. HSI is trading. Yeah.
All right.
Hey, look, Nikkei's back up 1,400, and the Cosby was up. That's what also was giving me a little bit of confidence. We're likely going to go ahead and stay positive. So the fact that we had the Cosby up, we had the Nikkei up, and oil was not absolutely going through the moon. Oil is flat right now. So oil's trying to get green, but oil's just going flat. So I was like, yeah, we got a pretty good chance of popping up here. But
I like this little pullback. If we bounce off VWAP, I'm going to give it a go, guys.
Really? I like to see a little bit further push away from VWAP and then come back and test it. For me, everybody's different though.
Oh, I'm seeing some buyers, not a lot.
Hey, don't forget, I don't know if you see this too, Jesse. We still have this liquidity up here, which could act as a magnet. 991.
991.
Yeah, right up here on Bookmap.
Oh, that's way up there. Oh.
Yeah, another 100 points. And if you're going to target that, I would front run it for me.
Tom's.
Yeah, Trump gets his fingers on the keyboard. I was like, oh, Trump's speaking tomorrow. Let's just go look. Do we have any Trump speaking tomorrow? Today's date. Today's the 9th already? Holy crap. Yeah, I don't see Trump speaking. I don't see anything. Tomorrow should be light on the news. Should be.
All right, I'm long. I saw buyers come in. Let's try it. We'll try it.
All right, let's go. Can we look at your screen?
Yeah. What do you think about the level 991? Is that Is that the close from New York? What is that? 991. I have a purple line on my chart for some reason.
Yeah, I'm gonna put your screen up. Let me see. 991.
Or I'm sorry, 931. Sorry, 91. 931. Was that the close? I think that's the close.
Oh, 931 doesn't do anything for me. I don't see any significance with that.
I have a purple line up here for some reason.
Maybe it's a trap. The market makers, they're throwing random lines on your chart to make you see something that's not there.
Yeah. I think it's a prior day. I don't know what it is.
Are you trading this just in sim or
yeah,
proper counts too? Okay. And why do you have your target at 908? What's significant about that?
Oh, that's just my default ATM is 350. So my default ATM is just a 1-to-1, 350 and 350. Oh, they didn't hold VWAP. I thought they were going to hold it. Darn it.
What do you mean? They're not below it yet, are they?
No. And I was late. I was late to the trade is the problem.
Hey, and you got a trade detector bubble up there too.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't have
one. I talk about that all the time. I do not want to trade. When you see a bunch of buying like that at the top of a move, I do not want to be with those folks.
Nope, I agree.
So I might actually just kill this one. I wasn't paying attention. FOMO got the best of me.
FOMO's not even real.
Oh, sure. Says who?
No, I have a problem with FOMO too. FOMO, and I got to get it back.
Yeah, I have the got to get it back thing for sure.
I'm going to scroll through the other charts.
String Bean says, later, guys. See you tomorrow, buddy.
See you later. See you tomorrow.
You know what it is, Raphael? It's because I did that last trade was in sim, and I'm like, oh, I wish I got that on my accounts. It's like $500.
Weird. It's my view app. They put all the bands back on it.
I'm seeing buyers come in on Bookmap. They're trying. They're trying.
All right, Dow's below view app. What about Russell? Just barely. Russell's below view app. Yes. Yes is below view app. What about NQ?
Oops, seller's stepping in.
Hey, NQ is the only one above view app.
Oh, really?
The other ones are just barely below it. They're not down a whole lot from it. So they're gonna be able. Will they be able to lift up and get back above view app? Which would then
okay, I'm closing it for 285, 290. I got 290. And I'm not gonna lie, I accidentally turned Replicanto back on, so let me turn it back off.
Accidentally. I accidentally turned it up.
Hey, the FOMO's real. The FOMO's real.
Mister, I'm not going to trade anymore.
All right, I'm out. It's going to keep going maybe, but I got out. Thanks, Raphael. I appreciate it.
That's weird.
Daniel, that was your ad and it pumped. Good job. Out at the 200 moving average. Yeah, I don't even have any moving averages, but I'm glad to know my exit was a good one.
We had the ES right there, just got above VWAP now. Hey, we had the first band at 926. Hey, Jesse, so you didn't like, so what price did you get out at?
I don't know. I just marked it out. I marked it out. Oh, it's still going too. I saw $295 and I took it, dude. I mean,
did you get out before that prior swing on the one on that chart right there, the one right before it, like where the bubble is, top of the bubble? Did you get out before that? Or
no, I got out. No, right above that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna ask you, how come you didn't get out up there, but
I got out. Yeah, I got about. Yeah, I got out right here.
No, hey, BK, that's Jesse's charts, right there. My charts are right over here.
Very similar. We have
right
pretty much the same charts, except my Renkos are way bigger, 20/10. So each Renko bars.
Hey, cut out the short jokes.
I got the bigger bars.
Cut it out. Not my fault. It's born this way.
Mine are longer. His are thicker.
Yeah. Earth, baby.
Sorry, Kim. Sometimes I forget there's ladies in the room.
So crude oil is up 3 cents. Gold's down 21. I really like this for the push back up tonight.
View up detector delta so you can get the. Oh yeah, I think you're talking about the. All right, so Raj is helping people out with the. Mike's got a good video about that too. In fact, that same video from earlier, Mike, can you paste it in there again because we got some new people hanging out.
Yeah, right there.
So Mike talks about the order flow package and how to get it for free in NinjaTrader.
Ooh, that's not the video though.
No, but that one leads to the other video.
Oh yeah, it does.
This one shows why you want it, and then there's a video link at the end that shows you how to do it. So watch both.
Yeah, I really like the trade detector bubbles. They work pretty well.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You know,
And it's a little misleading because they call it's like a large trade detector, right? That's what they call it. But it's more than that because it also tells you the delta that happened there. So if the bubble's green, there was buy delta and a large trade at the same time. I mean, it's incredible information.
Yeah, if you trade with Think Profit Trader, Tradeify, or Lucid, you can get it for free.
Yeah, or if you have a live brokerage account with NinjaTrader, so you can throw $100 in there and get it.
I wonder if we're gonna get a deeper pullback here on the 4 hour, or we're gonna punch up through that high. Look at 38% retracement on the ES would take us all the way down to 75.46. I just can't think of the catalyst that would get us down there.
Yeah, because think about it. Like we had some pretty big catalysts yesterday, and we had a sell-off, but it's like the market doesn't even care. I remember coming home from work yesterday, and on my drive, I was reading news or listening to the news, and like we had bombed Iran again, and they were striking us back and all this stuff. And I said, I'm going to get home, and the market's going to be way down, and it was ripping up.
Hey, that's why it's important. So you see what the news is and what you think it should do. If the market's not doing that, that right there is telling you, hey, it's a lot stronger than what you think.
Yeah.
So if you get negative news and we're not going down, that's a pretty good heads up.
Yep.
So. Where are we at?
What happened, Coach? Hey, Fred, you were adding to your trade?
He's got to add.
I hope it was a winner.
No, we add the losers.
Hey, here's a pretty good pullback in the regression channel again. Look at this. Am I going to get another long setup?
They can't see you.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, I got you on. Let's put you back.
My bar, let me, let's see.
Hey, so how far down would you need to get an entry? How you look at regression?
I like if we're going to stay in this trend, I like this middle of the regression channel right here, the gray line. We're almost there.
Hey, so have you ever tried doing micros, like put one there, one the next line, one the next line?
Yeah. Yeah.
How's that work out?
It's good. The problem is if I'm playing the regression channel, my target is the upper line, right? And with micros, that's not real big. So it works better with minis.
Well, when it works, but what about
when it works?
That's what a lot of people don't focus. They don't worry about. They don't think about. What about when it doesn't work?
Yeah, here's the problem. So 97% of the time in my trade statistics, that works. But the 3% of the time that it doesn't work is enough to blow up accounts, and that's not good. So doesn't really matter if it works that often, if the tiny little amount of times that it doesn't work blow you up and you got to start all over. All right. Good night, Kim.
Yeah. Good night, Kim. So are you going to get involved in it if we go back down there or what?
I'm watching it. Oh, I better move my cursor so people can see.
So did you turn Replicana back off or is it still
No,
on?
Yeah, it's off. It's off.
That's what you told us before.
No, it's off. I'm done. I'm at 2,095 times 5 accounts. That's good enough for me for Asia. I mean, that's a hell of an Asian session
10K?
right there. Yeah.
That's good. So how far does that put you from passing?
I still got it ways. I got to make 9K. So. Okay,
but today's day 2.
Yeah, tonight is day 2.
So
I'm at, my total is here. It's 53,405. Or 153,405. So I got quite a ways.
2 days in, so. Yeah. Are you gonna try to trade some more tomorrow too?
Maybe. I don't want to, not really, because they also have a consistency rule, so I got to be careful.
Yeah, but you can still make another 2,000.
Yeah.
I mean,
I've done that
I'm not saying to
before.
push that. I'm just.
No, it's Friday too. I would hate to friggin' give
Yeah,
all this back
I
and
know.
because that ruins your weekend,
That's why I like to get up good on Thursday night. So going into Friday, I'm well up. I'm good.
Yeah. Little cushion.
Yep. If I have a down Friday, it ruins my weekend for sure. Me spending a lot of time on the charts, market replay, and it's just don't get anything done that I need to get done.
Okay, Coach Fred got out for 10 points. Sweet. Good one.
The last trade I had was the micros. I could have got more out of those too. I could have held them a little bit longer, man. I could have probably been up 2K.
All right, so we hit that gray line. It's trying to bounce.
No, hey, Jonathan, that's Jesse's P&L.
I'll pull over the volume pressure here. If we see buyers step in,
my P&L is right there. Sorry, Jesse.
No problem. Oh, where am I at compared to you now? Because we're close, right?
No, you're ahead. I'm only up 1,800.
I pulled ahead. Woohoo!
We'll see after tomorrow. Tonight after the stream, I'm just gonna go full port.
Yeah, don't do that.
I'm not.
All right, buyers stepping in a little bit. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot.
Oh man, I gotta see this.
And we'll go for the upper red line up here. There we go. They're coming in. I saw them coming.
No, hey Jonathan, that's my account, 1,800.
How far are they gonna get though? Is the question.
So I trade the props only with micros. Well, actually, once they're funded, I only trade micros. In the evaluation, I trade minis.
What's up, Dork? Good to see you.
Yeah, told Dork, what's up? Are they gonna push it? You say these are copied or not?
No. I turned off Replicanto. This is a sim trade only, everybody.
So I'll see if we push it.
I liked a little pullback to the middle of the regression channel there, but technically it could pull back to the bottom of the regression channel, the blue zone down here, which happens to also be VWAP. So my stop is in a horrible place for this trade.
Hey Tom, so if you're in a live account with Lucid and you blow up, they have a cool off period. I think it's 2 weeks. I think it's 2 weeks, and then you can go back trading sim accounts again. No, hey, actually, it's a very good idea to copy from a sim account. So all of my prop accounts, I have a different sim account for each group of the accounts that I copy. Because what you don't realize is if you're trading with a Trade8 connection, they have API limits. So when you put the trade on and you want to have it set to executions, not orders, every time you move your stop or your target around, you're hitting API requests. If you hit too many within a 1 hour period of time, you won't be able to get out of your trade.
Yeah. And that has happened to me.
You have to go to Trade8, try to get in and try to go ahead and execute. And a sim account will execute regardless. If you leave with another account, a live account, it may not. Like, you might not get the same fill.
Yeah.
It's way better leaving with a sim account. I don't care what anybody says.
Yeah, I've done that.
Both ways.
Yeah, me too. Once I switched to doing it that way, I've never had a problem. And that really had me stuck a few times in the past. I'd never want to relive those panic moments.
Hey, one of the Pauls in the chat too, I don't know if he's here tonight, but he's on the daytime. He was having the same issue. And then I showed him copy with a sim account. Hey, the problems go away.
And by the way, the prop firms are aware of that, and they will not reset your accounts. They will send you a link to the knowledge base article at Trade8's website and say, see, this is a thing. You got to know about this if you're going to be trading. Okay, they got me. Came right back down to VWAP. See, I told you it could come right down to that blue zone,
At least it's sim.
and that's what it did.
That's probably the best loss to have.
Yeah, but now I like it even better, so I might give it another shot here. If I see buyers step in a big way, I mean, they're stepping in, but still the sellers are overpowering them. So
I got short term oversold here at the moment.
yeah, as soon as the buyers, the green over here, as soon as that overtakes the sellers, I'm gonna get back in. I'm watching it. I'm listening to it make sounds for me, so let's see. My eyes are glued.
That's a pretty good little smacking down.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
kind
a
of curious. Like, how did the Nikkei and Kospi coming down? Nikkei's up 1378. It's pulled back slightly, not much. Kospi's still way up, barely, small little pullback, not much.
All right, I'm in. Buyers took over, and also they started stacking orders on the book. So let's see.
Let's see your trade.
It's either going to respect this regression channel or it's going to blow through it. So I'm going to probably start trailing up my stop a little bit because I don't quite trust it. And the buyers kind of died down. Look at the sellers taking over again. Not good. Not good. Oh boy.
So what made you get in?
There were buyers took control there for a second. On the order book and the actual volume, but they gave up real quick. Yeah, they're trying to push. Probably want to come down and run some stops down here and down here. Ah, they're gonna get me again. Wait a minute, hold on. This user passed the TPT 150K yesterday and then made 99.80. So sweet. Nice. Good job.
Yeah, good job on that. Oh, I have Trading View, but I don't trade off Trading View. Yeah, hey, BK, we could be heading down towards the P point. Very real possibility. ES is looking a little bit weaker than the NASDAQ right now. NASDAQ's still right around VWAP. ES is a little bit further away.
Oh, hey, Fred. No, I don't really stream anymore. Bob and John got we got super busy with work. So the Nomad thing didn't, they haven't been streaming. Too much going on in life, you know? So every once in a while, Mike invites me on or I beg him. What are you doing, dude? Let's hang out. Let's get on YouTube. Frank, you're long. Yeah, I'm in a long. It's a sim trade only.
Oh, you're long.
I got
again?
long.
Is that the second one or the third?
No, it's the same one. They didn't stop me out. I got long down here in the bottom of the regression channel, hoping for a continuation of this uptrend. This was a pretty deep retracement, though, a little deeper than I like. And then I was watching Bookmap. I saw the buyers take over on the volume. So got in. We'll see if it works out.
Hey, Raj, NASDAQ's fighting around that VWAP. See if it gets back above it or not. Actually, I think we might have a little pattern on the ES trying to set up.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for, Raj. I'm hoping it can get up above VWAP here and hold it, and then I think my trade's okay. But it could reject VWAP here, and then we're probably going for a little bit of a downtrend. We'll come take out the overnight low is down here. Session low is right down here, this white line. So let's see.
Let's go look at this real quick. I'm gonna share my screen real quick. Okay, so watch this on the ES. Let's see if this pattern is gonna play out. If we were to look, we have the A to B leg, the B to C leg being the corrective move. Price target on that would be 86, 75, 86 and a quarter. In order for that pattern to be validated, though, we have to take out that swing point. If we do not, we come down and start taking out that low, it just won't be a validated pattern. If we break above the swing point here, then we come down and take out that low, it'll just be a failed pattern. So I want to see, can we come back up here? If we start coming up towards right here, I may look for another trade up towards 75.86. Is what I'm thinking. We'll see how it shakes out.
I was up 189 bucks on this trade and then trying to pull back again on me. I should have taken it.
I want to see if we're gonna pop up there on the ES or not. I don't know. I'm still in a wait and see. Regression channel on the 1 minute on the NASDAQ still sloping upward for me.
Yeah, mine are up too on the Renkos.
And the ES is sloping up too. We had 9 count right down here, right below the regression channel. I like that too.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, user, it's all good.
No, yeah, exactly. Heck no, man.
Hey, Stay Broke said, Jesse, you gotta hold.
Yeah, it's up 115 right now. I think it's gonna take a little rip up in the regression channel.
You think or you hope? I'd say both.
Yeah, I think and I hope.
pretty please.
And this, I have $1,000 ATM on this one, which means the automatic trail will kick in once we get to 80% of $1,000, which would be 800. So we'll see.
Still that liquidity up there on the ES at 75.95. I'm watching. I want to see if we're gonna come down below here. If we do that, invalidate that. And actually, on the 1 minute, we could have a little ABC pattern down. That's kind of conflicting. Look, here's the A to B leg. Here's the B to C. If we come down and start taking that low, we get the D completion. That eyeball on it looks like it take us near the lows.
Hey, Falal. Hey, there it goes. Can we switch to my chart so I can explain this real quick?
Yep, you got it.
All right, so Falal, you see my stop down here, this red tag, and then the target up here, the green tag? So when you use Sim 101, like you see over here, when you use this as your leader account in a trade copier, and you set that trade copier to market orders only or executions only, then these stops and targets are only on Sim 101. It does not transmit these times 20 accounts out to Tradeovate. They're only here. And if one of them gets hit, then the trade copier sends market orders to all the following accounts. Does that make sense? Because if I had 20 accounts copied and I grab my stop and I move it up here, it does that.
Or you're trailing. When it automatically trails it.
Yeah. Or your automatic trails. Every time it changes, it sends that times every account you have. And so you can hit those API limits real quick when you're, I mean, I think at one point I had 32 accounts and I hit that limit when I was in a trade and I couldn't get out of my trade. I was really, really stuck. It was real ugly.
Yeah, you gotta hurry up your panic. I can't get out. You gotta hurry up and try to log into.
Yeah, you gotta sign in. You gotta sign into Tradeovate as each prop firm and one by one close all the trades. Right click and it's just a mess, right? So if you use a sim account as your leader, and you set up the copier to only use market orders, then that will not happen to you.
Well, it reduces the chance.
It reduces the chance of it happening.
I haven't had it happen since I've done that.
Yeah. So if you're, I mean, it could still happen if you're scalping a lot, right? If you're just going for $100, 10 or 20 times, if you do that across 20 accounts in an hour, you're going to hit the limit. So, that's also happened to me once too. So I was like, that's when I knew I was definitely over trading. When I hit the limits even though I was using market only orders on the copier, right? So you just got to know that limitation's there and got to work around it. So you guys can see I moved my stop up here in the money. It's probably going to tag me right now.
And then
Oof,
go up.
missed me by a tick. I was just doing that to show off the, kind of animate what I was explaining, but probably a good thing I did that anyways.
Where was your stop initially?
I don't remember. It's $350 below wherever my entry's at. Somewhere down in here.
I was just curious if it dings you out and rips or not.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna move it back here. I'll move it down here. We'll see. We'll give this trade a chance to play out. See, we stopped right at the middle of the regression channel, which is not a good sign, right? That means this could be the rollover. Where did this stop on the 1 minute regression channel that you use? Did it get to the middle of it? Or not quite?
Almost to the middle.
Yeah, so this is not a good sign. It might be trying to roll over here. We'll see.
Yikes.
Yeah, Falal, the same thing applies to the Apex copier, but
Yeah, you can get bad fills.
I think the Apex copier does have a market order option, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
I think it does. You got to find that, Falal. Falal was saying that with the Apex copier, it sends limit orders on all the orders and all the accounts. I think by default it does. Same with Replicanto, but there should be an option to little check boxes or something to make it do market orders only. Oh yeah, if you don't, you probably need to get the latest version. Yeah, all right. Maybe I should have left my stop up there. Just ain't right. Asking you if you loaded up on those 250K Apex accounts there, Mike.
No, I didn't. I almost did last night. I forgot. Then I was thinking about it again tonight. I haven't done it though.
I did.
The Apex trade copier can copy market orders from your leader account to all selected follower accounts. So it says it can. All right. So it definitely can.
Yeah, it's probably a version issue. Maybe Falal's got an older version.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. This market slowed down quite a bit. I had some good trades right off. I was just picking it apart. Bink, 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 bink.
Yeah.
I think I only had one losing trade tonight.
Yeah, those were nice little scalps. Hey, and you were scalping that. We were dropping hard too, and you kept getting $100, $100, $100, $100.
I'm really good at that trade though. That's like my bread and butter.
Catching knives.
Yeah. Yeah,
so when it slows down like this, it's usually not going to pick up until about midnight. So
yeah, hey, just ain't right. I agree. It's tough. A 250K account is not easy to pass. Like my Dow market analyzer window is not moving. Let's go see this. We compare it over here. Yeah, it's not. Dog, I hate that. The new version, I don't understand why. I have to disconnect from one of the top accounts and then it'll start working.
Oh, you're doing that again right now?
Well, it's just everything's working, but the market analyzer window isn't working. It's really freaking annoying. So it messes me up. I'm like, Every time I look at Dow, it's in the same place. Well, it wasn't correct. I only had to disconnect 2 of them this time. Then it started working.
Yeah, so that second one was the culprit.
Yeah. But then it works again. Everything's fine.
Yeah, no joke, real estate. Hey, that's true, right? Like you start off with those 250K accounts, those are big, right? You start off like responsible. You get 6K, 9K or so, and then you're like, let's go, and you forget. You're like, hey, I got a ton of money. You forget that the intraday trailing drawdown follows you all the way up.
Yep.
Doesn't stop like other prop firms do. At least that's what I do. I forget about that, and I start smashing contracts, and before you know it, bloop, gone.
Yeah, that's why I like the prop firms that stop the trailing.
Mm-hmm.
It definitely makes it easier to pass. On the back end of it, it's much easier to pass than the ones that don't. Because then you got more drawdown.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they just got me. Yeah, I should have kept my stop. I should have kept my stop up there when I trailed it up.
Hey, just rewind.
Yeah, rewind.
I didn't take it.
Yeah, speaking of that, hey, real estate. So what was that last night, Mike, when I blew up those 10 Apex accounts? I think it was. Last night. Was last night the big dropout? Hold on. No, that wasn't last night.
No, last night we just went up.
Oh, that was okay. So that was the 8th, the night before. Man, that was a big drop. Holy smoke. So I had micros on, and I kept, I was like adding. I'm like, it's only micros. Before you know it, poof, gone.
Dude, sports equipment deep.
Yeah, I only had 20 micros on. That's 2 minis, and it dropped. And obviously it kept going, but it blew up my accounts with micros. So.
Oh, hey, James, good job. James said he passed.
Yeah.
I got 5 of those. Passed all. Only failed 2.
Sweet. Good job. So I was agreeing with Just Ain't Right, who said earlier that those big accounts like that lead to bad habits if you trade micros, because they get you. You're like adding.
Well, last night it just kept going up, didn't it?
Yeah, last night was up. This was the night before. Remember, it just dropped. I mean, it dropped like a rock.
They're tempting me to try to go do some micros overnight. Not where I wanted it yet, though.
No, the market's pretty extended up here. Oh, you mean short?
No, I want to go long.
Oh, really?
Not yet. I need more of a pullback first. That's why I said it's not where I wanted it yet.
Yeah, where would you start getting in? The pivot point, maybe, or even more of a pullback?
Well, I'd probably look over here at the ES. Yeah, here I'll show it. So probably start at micros between the 38 and 50% retracement on the 4-hour chart. So that's way down here at 47 to 32. I mean, that's a ways down there. I might still stage some orders and see if they get picked up overnight while I'm sleeping. Yeah,
hey, Tom.
I agree. TPT is the best to trade micros.
Yeah. Hey, Tom. So I did that. I had 10 accounts and I split them in half. So I was only copying 5. So that night when it came down, blew me up. I took a little mental break. I told myself, okay, get back in the game. And then blew up the other 5 because it kept going down, and I was still trying to long it. Unbelievable. I mean, that was more than a 500-point drop the other night, wasn't it? I mean, it was huge.
I don't know.
That's what I was going to do.
That's a pretty good drop. I don't remember how many points.
So the high was up there at 29,559, and the low was down there at 28,900. So yeah, that was like 600-ish points. And I was just fighting it the whole way with micros. Blew up 10 accounts. Half and then half. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Unbelievable.
I really want to go long. Right now is not the time to do it. We got to be pushed further away from VWAP.
Yeah.
I'm still too close to it. I can't do it.
It's kind of stuck here, huh?
Hey, Raj, I do agree with that too. If you can master intraday trailing drawdown, it does make you a better trader. It is harder. Teaches you to take profit while you have it.
Yes, for sure.
You can't let it go up and swing back down. So you gotta see profit, you gotta take it.
So you know what's funny about that, Raj?
Hey, see you real estate.
See ya. For whatever reason, Raj, I can't do it with Apex, but I can with TPT. I don't know why. Maybe it's because TPT stops.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. Tom says, call me crazy, but jump from account to account each day. No, that's probably smart. That way you don't blow them all up at the same time. That's super smart, actually. I just don't have the patience for it is the problem. And whenever I say that to Mike, he says, okay, but you have the patience to blow everything up at the same time and start all over? Does that make sense? No, it doesn't make sense, but that's how my brain works, you know?
I do stupid things too, so I'm no different. It's just easier telling somebody else, you know, why are you doing this? Yeah, I know I do it too, but we're not talking about that. This isn't about me, it's about you.
We're talking about you. We're not talking about me.
Yeah. Just ain't right says he trades better with intraday than EOD. I keep blowing my MFF funded accounts, but taking daily payouts with TPT and trade day. Nice.
Good.
Yeah, I don't know, it's crazy. So I talked to a lot of people that still get the Apex intraday trailing drawdown. I figured after the EOD counts came out, not a lot of people want the intraday. I was really surprised how many traders still prefer the intraday drawdown. Well, I'm just saying I'm used to that anyways, so I just trade that.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I get the EOD accounts. So
what's up, Frank? Good to see you. Took the same trade on my broker account and was able to wait the trade out. Hey, yeah, that happens to me a lot too. It's like, geez Louise. And then I tell myself, hey, it's probably not smart to wait the trade out and take that much heat, but still. Hey, Mike, do you have tomorrow morning stream set up yet?
No.
Oh, okay. Before we leave tonight, do you think we should do that and drop a link in the chat?
I mean, I can, but I don't know if they'll. I don't know. Most people don't leave their computer on overnight, I don't think. I do.
No, but some people watch the stream tonight after we're sleeping. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll actually work on that here in a minute.
Yeah.
We get pushed far enough away from VWAP. I'll start it a little micro trade overnight.
Yeah, it's getting close to that second band. Oh no, first band. First band.
I need further down than that.
Yeah.
Look, I don't know what you're talking about. I want it down further.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, ES messing it up for the NQ. Yeah, ES is a little bit weaker tonight for sure.
Hey, for anybody watching, if you haven't said hi yet in the chat, go ahead and do so. Hit that like button.
Let's see if I can set this up.
Let's see how many time zones we got covered here. So I'm on the west coast of the United States.
I'm on the East Coast.
Pacific time. You're on the East Coast. You're Eastern time. So who else do we got in here? What time zones do we represent? What in the hell is AST? Central time. Okay, so there's some new. Hey, what's up, David? And RV, what's up? Good to see you guys.
Hey, David, what's up? What's up?
Jonesy, Eastern time. Houston in the house. All right. New Zealand. Wow. Atlantic Standard Time. Okay, gotcha. Hey, Sean. Good to see you. Montana. That's right. BK's in Montana. I love Montana. Beautiful. I lived in Idaho for a little while. East Coast, Florida. Greg's in the house from Florida. Grey Horse, New Zealand. Boy, we got several New Zealanders. That's incredible. South Carolina, Seattle. All right. I spent some time near Seattle. I'm pretty sure no worries. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with Oak Harbor. Or I'm sorry, Gig Harbor. Oak Harbor, what the heck? Gig Harbor, Tacoma, Lacey. Spent some summers up there. Just ain't right. Houston, Texas. Belgium. Wow, Belgium. New Jersey.
Yeah,
We got a
Fort Myers.
Jersey. We got a Jersey boy.
Hey, Sean, do I have a video on copy trading, updating limits? What do you mean by updating limits? I'm confused.
Vancouver.
Man, I want to go
Oklahoma.
too.
What's up, Carl? Ben?
There's a
See,
link for the stream tomorrow.
yeah, all right, sweet. There's the stream for tomorrow morning, everybody. Make sure you tune in.
Dog it, should have went long. Kicking myself now.
What you guys were talking about. Oh,
I do not, but you know what?
You got to make a video for both copiers, Mike. Great idea.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Thank you,
hey,
Sean.
Hey, Sean, I'm gonna do a video on that.
Yep. You got to cover the AI copier and the Replicanto one. I think you still have that installed, right? Yeah, you got it.
I don't know if I have it installed still. I have it downloaded. I just have the download file.
Sweet.
Always snack time.
RV's asking about Tradeovate buy pressure widget. No, this was Bookmap.
Hey, Ninja Trader has that too.
Well, that shows you.
Shows you what everybody's long and short.
Yeah, it shows you the longs versus shorts, but that's like real brokerage stuff. So it's not.
Or it could be proper. It could be prop firm stuff specific.
Yeah, it depends on. Yeah, I guess it does. It depends on what account you're signed in as.
Yeah.
That's true. That's helpful. But the one I was showing on my charts earlier that's the Bookmap Market Pulse stuff. Chattanooga, Tennessee. What's up, Robert? You see that, Mike? All I had to do was say, "Hey guys, in the chat, there's 120 something of you here. Say hi." What's up, Patriot?
That shows my friggin' account number.
Doing good, Robert. Doing good.
Let's see. Where's NASDAQ?
Carl says, Mike, I like your chart setup. He's got the 1 minute on the left and the 6-3 Renko on the right. Mike does very well with that setup. I use a 15-minute on the left and a much larger Renko bar on the right, a 20/10. And I don't do as well, so maybe I should switch.
Where's the... So NASDAQ, we have 13% long at Tradeify. Lucid, 10% short.
Yeah, it just shows you traders are all over the place. Hey, we got a green bubble.
See TBT.
Let's go. We got a green bubble.
TBT 24% short. Let's compare that to a live brokerage. Live brokerage 24% short. Oh. 24.4 range bar on the right. Nice. I really think we're gonna go higher tomorrow. I really do, because normally I'd want to short this. So I figured just do the opposite.
Yeah.
Do the opposite of what I think. It'll probably be good. Yeah, it's pretty active at the beginning of the stream. picking out those little scalps. I just can't commit to a long. I want to see us down a little bit further before I go long. We're just not down there yet. Nor do I know if we're gonna make it down there. It's quite a feat.
Higher low forming here on the 1 minute. I don't know. I don't have the 1 minute, but on the Rinkos, yeah, we're putting in some higher lows.
On the 1 minute, no. I don't know. It depends on if you're using this as a low. To me, this isn't enough of a pullback for a low. Here's a low, lower low, lower low. To me, this is just a 1 bar pullback. But on the Rinko, I can see it. Rinko, I can see higher lows forming. Ooh, you know what I see? Do you see what I see?
What do you see?
Oh boy. Hey, we might have a large ABC pattern up here. Hold up. 972 would be a target. We got to break above here. Do I dare swing a micro at it overnight? I don't think I'm going to. I'm going to micro this thing. Almost cursed. Right here at 972. I'm going to try to target 972. I don't think we'll get filled while I'm on stream, but
I like it.
If we get Trump to come out and talk about how great Iran is, maybe we can go rocketing up.
Let's see.
We're
trying to buy it.
I like that 972 up there.
They're trying to buy it.
I likes it a lot. Just set the tone to the upside. Yeah, that's what I like too. I hope we get that breakout, Raj. That's what I'm hoping for. So I can get picked. Man, if I can come in tomorrow being up 2K before the morning stream.
Heck yeah.
I'll set a nice little tone. Hopefully I don't go green to red tomorrow. Again, man, I've been doing that a lot lately.
All you got to do is just switch your account, your chart trader, to sim.
Can't do it. I feel like I'm missing opportunities. I got to trade every day. I can't do it. That's the way I'd be tortured. Don't let me trade. It's a sickness.
Yeah, I hear you.
No, hey, Jonathan. So I usually, when I go to bed at night, very seldom do I not have a micro on. Last night, Justin and I were talking. I had a 50-point S&P trade on. I was shooting for 50 points on it. And he's like, I can't sleep. I can't sleep if I have 2 micros on. I was like, I don't know. It doesn't bother me. I do it all the time. I'm just used to it because that's one of the tactics I had to use when I had a full-time job. You know, I couldn't trade as much as I wanted to. So it was a way for me to be involved in the market and, you know, be able to accept some of those opportunities. And when you wake up in the morning, if that target got filled while you're sleeping, and you wake up, you see your account, you're like, yes, it just sets a good tone for the day. Now, when you're down, it's like, ugh, I got some work ahead of me today.
Yeah, I got a story about that too.
What's that?
So this was years ago now when I first met Mike and I was first learning about volume profile rotations. There was one evening during the Asia session. This was back when you used to stream at night. I was super pumped because I figured I finally learned enough about it to give it a shot. So I put a trade on, I go to bed, I wake up in the morning and I hit it. It hit target. I was so pumped. So pumped. Same thing. Same again the next night. Put a trade on, different trade, but same idea. Wake up the next morning, boom, lost it all. I said, all right, that kind of trading's not for me.
Well, I mean, I win more in them than I lose. And the key is you have to do it small, because you do it too big, you wake up, you're gonna be crying.
Mm-hmm. Well, the problem I have is that I don't have it built into me to know the difference between small and big.
Come on up there. Hey, if we can break above that swing point there, that validates the pattern right up here to the target at 972.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean we can't come back down and fail. The invalidation point would be down here at 853. So if we break the swing point up here, then we come down, we break 853, ends up being a failed pattern. I want to try to target right up there.
Are you in already or no?
Yeah, I got in.
Okay, good. I'm in a long here, not a big one like that. I just got a one mini on, just looking for a scalp.
What do you consider a scalp? Like what target?
My target's 919. I'm in from
right around the swing point here. That's not bad.
889.
Oh, good looking out, Chris. Smash that like button if you guys haven't yet, guys and gals.
Hey, what's up, Chris? Good to see you.
Hey, Grant, what's up? Good evening.
Hey, Grant. First time tuning in at night. All right, sweet.
Yeah, I do stream in the mornings too at 8 o'clock. If you guys want to join me then. Any prop firms for beginners? No, in all reality, before you go with a prop firm, you really should trade a sim account. Prove to yourself that you have a strategy with an edge. Then go to a prop firm. And if you want something that's user-friendly where you can take it slow, probably Tradeify or Lucid, because they have one-time payments, not reoccurring monthly fees. So if you take it slow, you can get reps in and not have to worry about getting rebilled for the month. But in terms of payouts, once you start getting payouts, Take Profit Trader is number one in my opinion. If you're looking for a cheap evaluation, My Fund and Futures probably has the cheapest evaluations with the builder plan.
Well, if you're a super beginner, I think maybe Apex might be a good option because you don't have to pay the activation fee up front, right? They got super cheap discounted plans.
That's true. That is true. That's another angle.
Yeah.
Yep.
But once you get some experience under your belt, you know,
well, Apex is really good for leverage. You got a lot of leverage with Apex too. You can get 20 accounts. So once you get where you can trade prop accounts pretty good, I think Apex excels for the leverage you can get.
Yeah, that's true. But when you're just starting out and you're learning, most all the other prop firms are a little bit more expensive because there's no activation fee if you pass, right? So, but with Apex, when you're a beginner, you're probably going to blow up quite a bit.
Even once you're not a beginner, you're probably still going to blow up.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
It happens.
So it makes sense not to pay, a bloated eval price that includes activation right up front. So,
do you guys go long? I went long. Almost all my trades tonight were long.
Yeah, I'm in a long too right now.
I do wonder, are we going to go full out war over the weekend?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, nobody wants it. These guys just keep friggin' God. Man.
Yeah, but if that's going to be the case, it could get ugly come into the day tomorrow in the markets. If we're rallying up early on, then people freak out towards the end and dump it. So maybe run up hit some of those targets I'd like to see.
Oh, you mean like what happened this morning? We ran up all night and then that massive flush this morning. Oh my goodness.
We barely went down.
Dude, that was hundreds and hundreds of points.
That's nothing.
There's two 15-minute candles straight down. Unbelievable.
Hey, Apple, you can also use NinjaTrader for free. Download market playback data and trade on historical data. So any money you make, you don't get to keep, but you don't lose either. You just get to work on the skill set. You mess up, you rewind, and you can trade that same section again. You can speed it up. I wish I knew about that, where they had that feature when I first started trading back in 05.
Yeah.
Hey, it helped me out so much.
Do we have any Top Step traders in the chat? Anybody trade with Top Step? I've got a question for you. If you're, I'm about to hit target, dude. Switch to my charts. I'm in a winner.
He's got a wiener.
Hey, if there's anybody that trades with Top Step, maybe we can answer this question for the person who was asking earlier. It's been years since I had a Top Step account, but one of the cool things that I don't know if they still do it, that's the question I've got for you. But when you used to buy a Top Step account, they would give you a practice account also with data. And that's something that other prop firms do not do. So if Top Step still does that, that's another way you can sim trade for a very low fee.
Yeah, but you're still paying the monthly fee there.
That's true. But it's less than paying for data somewhere else, right? I guess.
Earner Trade used to do that too.
Did
Just
they?
give you yep.
Okay.
And even TPT will do it now if you ask them. Sometimes they'll do it anyway. Yeah.
I did not know that. All right.
I had a sim account on my TPT. I was like, what is this? I don't want this. Get this out of here.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah. Maybe it's something that they were just trying out. I didn't like it because I got too many accounts in my thing as it is.
Mm-hmm.
Like I was like, I don't need another account that I don't get nothing out of it. So.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the ATM strategy or the playback is awesome. All right, let's see if we're gonna validate this pattern. Right here, can we break above it?
I'm gonna actually move my target a little
I was
bit
just gonna ask you about
because
that.
yeah, I want
We
to
have that completion up here at 972. I'm not saying go all the way up there, but
no, I'm gonna put it at 923 just because if it's up this high, it's gonna want to take out that wick right over there. So
hey, so why don't you go like 926 or 930? And then just keep your finger on the close button if it looks like it's not gonna. Because sometimes we break out and we go poof.
Yeah.
If it doesn't do the poof, then you just hit close.
Well, yeah, because if there are stops sitting right up here, then
it'll really go quick.
Yeah, that's what.
That's what I'm saying. Then you could capture more of it. And if it doesn't go as it's breaking, you know the stops weren't there.
Then just close it. Yeah, that's a good idea. Although this is an automatic trailing stop, so it'll probably kick in here in a moment. But anyways, yeah, I'll go up here to what is this? 930. We'll go to 930.
Neo's getting pretty deep. He added 12. He added 15 more.
15.
Well, he added 12 first.
Wow.
I'm hoping micros, Neo. Hoping micros. Because minis, that'll get pretty ugly pretty quick. Man, if we can run all the way up there and just get my target real quick. I'll love it. I'll be so happy. So where's your target at now?
930.75 to be exact. But yeah, it's like we were talking about. I better move Bookmap out of the way here. So the theory here, guys, is that if we're gonna come up here and try to run this wick, right? People are thinking there's stops sitting there, right? So if there is, then those stops are going to get triggered, which will cause a buying event, which should spurt the market up to where my target's at. That's the theory. So we'll see.
And don't forget we have liquidity at 987-ish still.
Okay.
But I like that ABC target's at 972. That kind of front runs that liquidity. Oh man, good job. 40 points. Nice. Stay broke.
Heck yeah. Wait a minute. Stay broke. Weren't you saying you were done trading earlier?
He needs to attend the meeting too.
Hey, I just saw my Gex 1 level move. I think the Gex level's just updated from Mentor Q.
Uh-oh. Let's go look. I look about the same. Eyeballing it, mine look the same.
Raj says it's very hard to stop when you know you're right.
Oh.
Man, the buyers just kind of stopped here.
I mean, it's in that period in Asia where it's slower.
Yeah.
I mean, Asia's slow anyways, but then we're in this time period, we're just like, ugh.
Dude, was anybody trading this afternoon? My Lord, it was slower than this. It was horrible. Oh,
I didn't trade. I seen it on my phone, but I didn't trade it.
Oh, it was so bad. So bad. You guys can kind of see it over on my screen right up here, this area. Can you guys see that? This was so, Let me scroll it over. Right here this afternoon. Oh man, I was dying. I was scalping this, guys. I overtraded big time. Like I was literally like 150 bucks up and down all through here. It was painful. It was slower than an Asia session, in my opinion. Oh, stay broke, locked out. Ah, good.
Hey, so do you have it locked out for until it close tomorrow or just tonight? I do think that lockout feature is very useful.
Yeah. I remember back when I was getting
Oh, good job,
TPT payouts, I locked myself out a few days in a row, got the payouts, and you were right on all that, Mike.
Yeah, I had to beg him, lock it out. Lock it out. You got to get the money.
He was doing it publicly too. Remember that, guys, on the streams in the morning? Every time he saw me in the chat, he's like, hey, Jesse, did you lock your account out yet?
And I told him, you got to text me. Text me. I want to see it. I want to see proof. I just want to see him do good. I want to see him make sure he got that money. Next thing you know, oh, just one more trade. Oh, crap. I got to get it back. And then poof, account's gone. It's funny how quick the accounts go bye-bye.
Yeah. Well, it's not funny, but yes.
It's like you work. Bam. I mean, they take the elevator down in a heartbeat.
Yes. Yeah. Our P&L is just like the market. Takes the stairs up, takes the elevator down.
That's crazy.
129 people watching. Make sure you hit that like button. And Mike's got a pinned comment there with the link to tomorrow morning's stream. Make sure you're subscribed if you're
I'm
new.
hoping these micros go up there and hit my target, man. That will set me good for tomorrow.
I think you'll get it. Hey, Daniel, YouTube's got a bug where sometimes it doesn't update the like counter. You got to refresh the page and then it'll show you the new number.
I'm showing 123 on my end.
Here we go. Hey, my trailer kicked in. It took me out. There we go.
See, look, hey, instead of having right there, that's what I was talking about. Get up a little bit more so you can get a little bit more in case we get that fast lift through it.
Yeah. Let me look at Bookmap and see if there was some stops triggered. There was 35 stops. 30.
Mine didn't show anything.
Yep, 35 stops right there. So that's there's ICT at its finest. There we go.
The liquidity.
Yep, we took that liquidity at that swing, at that pivot point, which caused a buying event. 35 stops triggered and flushed up. There you go. Thanks, Mike. I was going to just take my money right there, but I got an extra, I don't know, an extra.
Hey, you should split it with the chat.
40 or 50
It's a group effort.
out of that.
It's a group effort. So what you need to do is, we have 124 people in here. Take your P&L and give us all 1/24th of it. Give my portion to somebody else.
All right. So now that we took internal liquidity, where's the next? Let's see.
ABC pattern, baby, 972.
Jeez, way up here. More internal liquidity. Way up here. Jeez. Let's see. What level is this compared? This is at 30,323.
All right.
Wow.
Yeah, but if I remember right, hold on.
So if you look at 323 on a bigger chart, like your 30-minute chart, you should see a pivot there, or an untested wick, something significant there.
Hey. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this over real quick. Look at
Let me unscrunch my chart because that is ugly.
Yeah, I'm gonna show this. Hey Jesse, look at this. So if you look at this chart right here, hey, MITRQ levels did update over here.
Yeah.
Hey, the 1 day max at 373.
Wow.
So what'd you say that liquidity was at?
I don't know. Let me scrunch my chart again. So the next available one to us is up here at around, we'll just call it 320-ish. And
Hey,
then there's
if we
stack.
can break 30,000, we have GEX 2 at 30,104. And then GEX 3 at 153.
Yeah. And then we've got this 320 level and then a whole bunch of them.
We have that ABC pattern that mapped out. I'm playing on these micros. I'm up almost 140 on it right now.
What's up, Adam?
Actually, that'd be enough to put me up 2K for the night.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hey Adam, go to Mike's channel, click on his name over there, and then make sure the bell is still set to all.
Yeah, Adam, YouTube's hating on me lately.
Yeah, YouTube sometimes changes that. Also, make sure you're still subscribed, everybody.
Yeah, YouTube's unsubscribed a couple people. Yeah, I really want that target at 972, but it's like you're giving me an easy win right here. Do I take it?
So Adam says it's turned on and it's set to all already. So man, they're really messing with you.
All right, still trying to push here.
Yeah, still going.
I'd like to get at least 200 out of that micro.
Okay, absorption sellers on the ES I just got from
I just feel
Bookmap.
one off.
You're on the ES or the NQ?
Thank you.
Oh boy, they just
NQ.
took
Actually, I
216. They just took.
I closed
wow.
it. Hey, the micro trade that we talked about. And again, if getting out really front running that 972, I thought we were going to bounce up here. We had that ABC pattern setting up. Target's 972. I got out early, but I'm fine with that. I'm happy with the P&L for the night.
Yeah.
But I
Plus
didn't
you're
really think,
overbought.
I really didn't think we'd get this far, like before we ended the stream. So I was surprised.
Yeah. That was a good one. Good job.
Yeah, 976 will put us above second deviation band. Oh, good eye on that one, BK. Let's good look. Yeah, second deviation band is gonna be 65. I seen we were breaking above the first deviation band, so I was like, won't be upset taking that. If it goes up more, that's fine. Look right here. Here's high of the day right up here. We're not that far away from it.
Yeah. Yep.
I likes it.
Hey, just real quick for anybody who's been missing notifications, you know, one of the things I learned, I don't know this to be fact, but here's what I found with my YouTube. I found that over the years I've subscribed to a bunch of channels, stuff that I don't even watch anymore, old hobbies and stuff like that. And I think YouTube does not like to pester us with 100 notifications a day, right? So I think they limit how many times they send you notifications. And so what I did is I went and cleaned up and unsubscribed from all the crap I don't even watch anymore. And that really helped out with the notification issue. So maybe trim back some of the stuff you don't watch anymore. That might help.
Let's see, 970. Come on, just get up there.
Well, now that you're out of the trade.
Yeah, I'm not in it, but I still like to see the targets hit.
Yeah.
Like I'm such a market nerd. Like I like watching it. Even if I'm not like, if I see, like even when I talk to Jesse sometimes, he's in a trade, I gotta stay on until I see what happens. He's like, it's just him. I don't care. I want to see. I gotta see how the outcome is.
I can attest to it, guys. I swear, this guy stays up till 2, 3, 4 in the morning sometimes. I'll wake up. Remember, I'm 3 hours behind him, and I'll have a text message from 1 a.m. my time. He's like, did you see where it went? And then he's like up in the morning, bright and early, streaming. I'm like, dude, did you sleep?
Hey, sleep's overrated. You got plenty of time to sleep when you're dead.
The hardest working guy on YouTube
it's
here.
Probably almost 11 o'clock my time. I'm trying to put back here
for
a
me,
bit.
it's 7, almost. It's almost 8 o'clock.
Oh, geez, those are low numbers. 7 o'clock. You got your whole night ahead of you still.
I think it's funny when you and I are on the phone in the afternoon and I'm at work. You're like, all right, I gotta go. We're eating dinner. I'm like, dinner. The target was 972.
Yeah, I jumped out early. I jumped out early on the target. I jumped out. I'm out of it now. I closed out the micros.
Yeah,
if you look
Adam,
right here, here's the micro right here. I got in at 893, 895, out at 43. So what, 50 points ish?
Nope. How many? That was 2 micros or how?
Yeah, 2 micros.
Yeah. Good.
50
That's
points.
a nice trade.
Yeah, that's not bad. So with micros, I'm always looking for bigger moves. I'm not looking for, 5 or 10 points. The micros, I'm letting it swing. I'm trying to get the bigger move. I really want to see this target hit. I'm not in it, but still like to see it.
Dang, Adam's a whole date ahead of us.
5:55 a.m. Oh my goodness. Hey, Adam, where are you at? Like, where's that?
Are you in New Zealand? We had some New Zealanders in here earlier.
5:55.
Us, Australia or New Zealand or something. It's got to be. I don't know.
Australia is about 12 hours difference from me.
Oh, Egypt.
Egypt,
Okay.
nice.
All right, Raj.
Hey, Raj, have a good
to
night.
See you, man.
Look forward to seeing you guys. See you tomorrow.
Dang, 142 people here.
I just want to see if this hits the target.
It's gonna.
Hurry up, hit the target. Let's go. I mean, I'm not in it anymore, but I still like to see it hit. I won't be upset. Hit the target and be like, yes. Ching.
So for Adam, it's Friday already, man.
Yeah.
TGIF.
Yeah, but his Monday comes around a lot quicker too. Oh, our markets don't open till Monday for him. Oh, that would suck.
Oh, yeah. That's right. We get to trade on Sunday nights.
Yeah. I used to hate the market being closed Saturday. I actually kind of don't mind it now.
Oh, yeah?
I don't have to worry about being in a position or anything. My
I mean,
stress is like brought down a little bit.
Yeah, I like having the day off, but I do have withdrawals.
I mean, I still check the markets on my phone. Like I pull up my phone, like it's not moving. Oh, son of a gun, it's Saturday. But I wake up, I don't have to be like, okay, what trade am I in? Am I in something? Where's it? I don't have to worry about none of that. Usually in the morning, first thing I do, I grab my phone and say, all right, I'm good. I'm good. Come on. All you got to do is just go up another 30-ish points.
So Frank says he's a night owl. So whenever you're here at night, he's going to be on here. So good.
Oh, nice. And Q's up for the night, up 5.5. Now I am curious. Oh, Nikkei's closed right now for lunch. Cosby is too.
Hey, by the way, just so you know, now that I'm connected back to TPT's live data, my stuff's all different again. So right now, my market analyzer says that NQ is up 473 points, 1.61%.
Hey, maybe that's looking into the future.
I don't know.
It might be.
Something's definitely off with it.
That's weird. Mine doesn't do it.
And it says the ES is up 56.5 points.
Yes, definitely not the case. I got down
So-
3.75.
So I don't know what that's calculating from, but something's wrong.
Go home.
Go home.
What was that? Was that Happy Gilmore?
Oh,
He's
I
telling
don't
the golf
remember.
ball to go home.
Oh, yeah.
If this candle closes down, double wicks back to back, that would not be the ideal situation I would want to see. Not that I'm in it. I mean, it doesn't matter. I already got the money out of it, so
Yeah.
I just want to see target hit. Gives me satisfaction seeing it hit.
Uh-huh.
Properly identifying it. Hey, that's a good thing too. So when we identify large targets, even if you're not going to get the whole thing, it's a lot easier getting a small little slice out of a larger target than
For
trying to
sure.
get the whole entire target, whatever. Smaller target, 10 point. Yeah, 10-point target, and you're trying to get 9 points out of it. It's going to be a lot harder to hit.
Yeah, that's why all my ATMs in NinjaTrader are set up to start automatically trailing at 80% of my intended target.
I wonder if we're going to have some problems at that second deviation band.
Potentially, because that's also the high of the session, isn't it? Roughly. Yeah.
Oh, it probably is. I had a session at 64. Daniel's leaving the target where it was. I think it's gonna hit, but like I said, I took the money off the table. They put me up over 2K for the night. That was really good. So I'm happy with that.
Oh yeah, where are you at now? So I'm at 2100.
I'm at 2080.
Okay, so well, to be fair, one of my accounts is at 2070. So you got me beat on one of them.
Yeah, you got me beat on the other though.
Yeah,
if I would have held that trade, I would be ahead.
The big difference is yours is real live money. Mine's a friggin' evaluation.
Yeah, if I would have held that trade, if it hits target, I would have been ahead.
Yeah. Well, you got a little tiny pullback here. Get back in it.
No, I can't. Look, hey, here would be my entry. Structure breakout point right here.
Where at? Oh, yeah.
Candle wick to candle body.
Yeah, that'd be a pretty big pullback.
Well, if you look at it, fib, not really.
I mean, I just mean for right now, how slow it is.
And so 38% retracement of this last little leg is down below is just below right here, right below the bottom of that zone.
So, hey, Trading Game said, hi, Mike. Good to see you.
Hey, Trading Game, what's up? Oh, hey, I'm still waiting for TPT to email me back. So I'm expecting to see your account tomorrow. At least I think you were the winner. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Hey, Raphael got 2K. Nice.
Nice.
Dude, everybody's big winners.
Got 2Ks in the house tonight.
Yeah.
Mark is like, you get 2K, you get 2K, you get 2K. You broke the rules. You gotta give us your account. You get 2K.
Oh boy. 8:30 a.m. there. Where are you at, Trading Game? See you, Chris. Good to see you, man.
Yeah, good to see you, Chris. Thanks for stopping by. Do appreciate
Neo's chickening out. I've done that several times tonight, Neo. I chickened out of almost every one of my trades.
Yeah.
Ah, India. Okay, cool.
Oh, nice. That's what I'm saying. That's what's cool about the internet. We get people from around the world.
8:30. So it's you're exactly 12 and a half hours ahead of me on the time zones.
Hey, so you get to trade on the weekends, on Saturday.
Prab's in London, 4:02 a.m. Okay, so you're getting ready for your open here in a couple hours. Well, a few hours.
It was like London. I was like, oh crap, London's getting ready to open already? Like, holy crap, we stayed on here way too long.
Hey, Prab, I can't tell you how many times I've tried to stay up and trade the London session. I just can't do it. I always fall asleep right before. Oh, it's so hard.
I don't have a problem with that. So if I stay up all night, 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning is my tough part. If I can make it past that, I'm good. I can make it to 4 or 5 easy, but 6 to 7 is like, I get tired. Oh, here we go. Are we gonna hit the target? Come on.
Yeah, here it goes. It's gonna go. It's gonna go.
Target. Just taking a while. Sometimes you just gotta be patient.
Yeah. It could reject off of this high though and have a little pullback. Let's see.
I hope it just pushes. I hope it pushes past the swing point right over here just to tag that target. That's what I'm hoping for. Because we identified this pattern all the way down here. All the way down here, we spotted it and we're calling it out.
Yeah.
So now I just need to go ahead and complete it. We're getting close to that second deviation band though. That makes me a little bit nervous.
Mm-hmm. And the high of the session too.
Yeah, deviation band's right here at 67. So one thing to note too, if I was targeting the entire ABC pattern, I always front run it by a few points, a couple ticks at least, just in case we fall a little bit short. Because I know Paul for the morning stream, he gets they screw him over quite often. Misses a target by one tick, then goes the other way.
Oh, I hate it when that happens.
Yeah. And it's crap because you're like, well, oh, it went down. Okay, if it goes back up there, I'll get back out there. And then it just boom. It's like, you son of a beep. So. And the fact that we sold off a little bit tonight might also bode well for markets going up London and tomorrow morning.
Yeah, because we already kind of got the pullback.
Yeah.
In this, if you look at the big, like a 15-minute or 30-minute chart, like, you know, just kind of in the
Still
price
a pretty
action.
small pullback though, so
Yeah, smaller than this morning's, but still.
yeah, they got it
nice
pretty good
little...
off the high today.
Yeah,
that was pretty good. I was a little upset I didn't get. I don't think I shorted that on the way down today. If I did, I don't think I got a lot of it.
no, you didn't short any of it. You kept scalping it long. Remember that? Boom, boom, boom,
I
boom,
know
boom.
tonight I did. I can't remember what I did today though.
No, this morning you were scalping that dropout. It was impressive. My hands
I'm
were
really good at fighting the trend.
Yeah, you were catching knives. My hands were cut off.
Hey, the good news is they grow back overnight. So.
Oh man.
Man, ES is trying to rip up here a little bit too. Oh, I just need to push a little bit more. I don't like that we're on bar number 8 though. Look, the 9 counts have fired off pretty good tonight on the 1 minute. 9 count, we drop. 9 count, we pop.
Yep.
We're about to get another 9 count possibly here. What, minute? About 2 minutes.
Frank says CL is coming down. I don't know. My CL chart is delayed because of the data that I'm connected to. Darn it.
Oh yeah, CL's pulling back here a little bit. Not much, a little bit.
What's that line? Is that a moving average? No, that's the VWAP.
VWAP is VWAP.
Okay.
Come on, 961. Come on, can we get target? Target.
It's only 10 more points, dude.
Yeah, well, hey, here's the problem though. The second deviation band is at 68 right here.
Yep, and the session high right there too.
Yeah,
overnight high.
We almost hit session high right there. Hey, so NASDAQ's up 23 points.
Hey, we got the New York highs at 993.
Yeah, I'd be out before that 972 though.
Yeah, and then we have that call resistance.
And if it just rips past that, that's fine. But
yeah,
at least you take the easier money trade and let it go. Oh, it's a 5-minute candle. I'm like, man, I'm watching this. The seconds click down over here. I'm like, how am I still on the same candle? 5-minute candles. So we have a few more minutes. We have what, 7 more minutes before we'll know if it's gonna be a 9 count.
Oh, normally you're on a 1 minute bar over there. You're on a 5 minute.
Here's a 1 minute over here. The chart where I have the FPGs.
Oh,
I have on a 5 minute.
Gotcha.
You see the FPGs right there.
Uh-oh, Apple's getting short.
Uh-oh. I mean, around the second deviation band typically is not a bad idea. Dow's only down 1 point. SP down 3 ticks. Russell down 4.8. Come on, man. Just go ahead. Go up there. I want to see that target hit.
I think you got it.
I don't know. It's coming down here a little bit.
That's just a little tiny pullback.
That's how they all start.
Exactly.
It's just a little pullback. What the F?
Then it's the rollover of the century.
Yeah, it's kind of
like this morning.
Exactly what I was about to rewind to. Pretty good pullback there. You guys were trading this morning. Yeah, look at that. Jeez. And look how it started. It came down. We put in a lower high, and then boom, down she went. That was pretty massive. 316 points.
There's a bigger one. I don't think that's the move, because it was like 600 points this morning.
No.
Yeah. So let's see. The top of that is 923.
I'm on a 5-minute chart. Look, this is the only big pullback we had this morning. Right here.
923 down to 614. That's 700 points this morning.
What are you looking at?
My 15-minute bars. It started at 10:15 a.m.
Yeah, look, I just measured it. It's 300 something points. Look right here. Down to here, 317. How do you get 700?
Mine's way different than that.
Hey, look, I have the high at 931, and then I have the low down here at 614.
Yeah, I got the 931, and then the low I have is 614.
Do the math. 300.
Oh, Jesus.
It just felt like 700.
Yeah, it felt like
it's one of those fishing stories.
Yeah.
Got fish this big.
Yeah. Why the heck was I thinking that was like 700 points? I was trying to reverse engineer the math.
Oh man.
It felt like it this morning though. It was like never-ending dropout.
Oh, that's good stuff there.
Frank says change it to an hourly chart. It doesn't look as bad.
Yeah, let's go look at that actually. Let's go look at Jesse's 700 point pullback real quick.
Dude, it felt like that. I was in panic mode all morning.
Oh, hey Jesse, this is your little major pullback right here.
Hey, look at that one from a few days ago. Look at that red candle over there. Two days prior to that.
Over here, this is pretty sick.
No, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, well, look. So that looks more severe.
We've
than
had
your
some
major
doozies.
crash. Here's your crash candle right here.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Hey, well, what's funny is even if you go back and you look, watch this. Put this on a monthly. Give you wrap off.
Hey, Trading Game. Mike used to do these night streams years ago, so he's kind of easing back into it a little bit. So maybe a couple days a week he'll start doing these. He's thinking.
What's Jesse talking about?
Mike told me he's going to do it every night.
Mike was lying. Hey, look. Hey, look. So look, monthly chart. Look at this on the NASDAQ. Here was the pandemic. The massive pandemic crash. It doesn't look like nothing.
No.
Look, and we went from high to low, 24%. I thought the S&P was down probably 60. Hey, if we go back and look at the great financial crisis on the monthly, hey, look, that's right here. Yeah, that looks kind of significant.
Yeah.
Right there. That's a little bit more meaningful, but everything else in between is just noise. There's a decent one too.
Look at that big pullback. That's giant compared to the pandemic.
This one?
No,
this is a .com. That's a .com.
Yeah. No,
that's 87%, 84 or something.
Huge. Boy, I wish I got long way back then at the bottom of that.
Well, hey, you know what's messed up? I was trading QQQ options and the Qs somewhere over in this area. Like, man, if it ever went back over there, oh my goodness, you know how much money I'd make? Yeah, obviously I didn't. I didn't hold it until then. But you know, I fantasized about it.
Mm-hmm.
How much money I could have, would have, should have made, but whatever. I want to see this darn target hit. Why are they doing me dirty on this? Hey, Raphael, see you in the morning. Raphael still says 76.05 by the morning. I believe you, Raphael. I think we have a good shot of getting that on the ES. So. Yeah, 15 bucks. Well, the
Tough.
SPX bottomed out at 666. Tell me that's not a conspiracy.
Jeez.
Did you ever look at that, Jesse?
No.
Oh, watch. We'll go look at the monthly. SPX cash market. All right, so here's 09, right? There's the low. If you look at the low, 666.79.
Wow.
I remember when it was going down there. I remember that like yesterday. I was like, holy crap. And it just kept going and going and going. Look, the S&P dropped from about 1574 all the way down to 666. That's pretty massive. It's like 53, 54%, something like that, if I remember right. Let's see. That says 57%. That's massive.
Raphael, yeah, I'll be there. I don't know if I'll be on as a guest. It depends on what time I wake up and all that, but I'll be in the chat.
Slacker.
I mean, it is Friday. I'm off, so I'll try to show up if Mike will have me.
Yeah. But
what the hell? How do you have 845 people?
Somebody's doing some stupid shit.
Oh, jeez.
So
what's up, Kelvin?
With that being said, I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna quit. I'm not into trade anymore, so
you don't want to watch that 972? Well, you're still gonna be watching the 972.
Yeah, I really want to go get a snack, honestly. That kid's gotta eat. So I want to go get some snacks.
Sweet. All right, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Yeah, if you guys will come join me tomorrow, there's a pinned comment section down below. So go check that. Now, Lambo, man, somebody's playing games. We don't have 1,000 people on here. Somebody's playing games. So,
all right,
guys.
good night, everybody.
Take care.
See ya.